pakita mo lang yung shine mo. Kasi dadating yung araw na hindi man nila nakita yung shine mo, makikita nila yung liwanag na taglay mo.
Ako nakikita
Mararamdaman
ko yung
nila.
shine mo.
I love
So
that.
parang,
Glowing ka eh.
So,
Me
parang-
too.
ayun
You
nga,
will
yun,
always
tumatak
shine
talaga
for me,
sa akin yun.
Steph.
So parang,
You
ayun
will
nga, this
never be
era,
invisible
parang
for me. Even if
we
I
don't care
disappear,
kung hindi nila napapansin
it's not
yung
because
shine
you were
SB19.
invisible.
We don't.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wherever here, I hope that you are all doing well. The 18 community are just knocking it out of the park. This is a long interview, and would you believe it's already been subbed? I am keeping up to date like never before, and I'm so looking forward to watching this with you. I've got a few things that I need to get through and say first of all. So obviously this is SB19's interview for Mix, The Ripple Season 2, and also a huge thank you, and I want to say this correctly, to the SB19 sub squad who have put subs on this through what's it called? Captionfy.com. And thank you to everybody that dropped me the links via DM on X and tagged me in their post as well. A huge thank you to them because I'm so excited to watch this. So I think that's it. I think I've said all my thank yous. And I'm really excited. What I'm going to do is in the description below for other International 18, I'm also going to share the link so that you can watch this. So I believe this is a little bit like what I used to do, that the view goes directly to the original video, but it's like subbed through this third-party website. I believe that's how it works. But yeah, if you're looking in the description, you'll be able to see a link. And please show a lot of love and support to SB19 Sub Squad. Thank you so much. And all that's left to say, shall we watch this together?
Hello, everybody. It's Sam.
It's Nico.
And welcome to The Ripple! Wow! Sobrang polite.
I'm loving the pink lighting in the
Morning
back.
people tayo. And here we are with the most morning people of all morning people of life. SB19!
Good morning. Good
Yay!
morning.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Wow.
What's up po sa inyong lahat?
Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
So
Depends when you're
handsome.
listening to this. Wow!
Kunyari na lang madilim sa labas kung gabi.
Oo. Wow, poetic. Pero welcome,
Same brain
guys.
cells.
Yay! Sobrang excited namin. Kasi first time nyo on The Ripple as the five
Group,
of
as a
you.
group, yeah.
Kasi we've had Justin and Pablo before.
The long-awaited
Oo.
episode.
Pero ngayon, nandito na kayong lahat.
Yes!
Yay!
Yep.
O, di ba ganun ako ka-excited? Di ako maniwala. Ang saya-saya. Pero kumusta naman kayo, guys? How's everything? How's life?
Antok.
Dot.
Past few weeks, medyo dire-diretso kami.
Mm-hmm.
Siyempre,
Is she wearing a
daming
necklace?
releases,
Very nice.
maraming pinaghahandaan.
Tim.
So, ayun, busy.
Yes, busy.
Pero masaya
Yeah,
kasi ang
masaya
dami
siya.
nangyayari.
Actually, overwhelming siya. Pero,
Ah.
kasi, nag-release kami ng songs, ng EP. Siyempre, expected na maraming gagawin. Maraming schedules, maraming promotions and everything. But I guess, yun siya eh. Yun yung kailangan mong gawin. Yun yung
I
effort
could
namin.
just listen to him forever.
Alam mo yun? Kasi andyan na siya eh. And ano pa ba yung kailangan namin gawin? Siyempre, to promote it. And hindi siya may iwasan. Kasi kailangan talaga namin siyang gawin as an artist. Hindi lang naman, alam mo yun, pag nilabas mo yan na yun. Parang,
Yeah.
Tapos sa creation.
yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Nilibago ako. Well, nag-usap nga kami ni Stel. Sabi namin, it's been such a long
Yeah,
time.
oo nga eh.
Oo.
Sobrang tagal na.
Oo. Gano'ng katagal?
Stel's friends with everyone.
Kasi super tagal.
Pop quiz.
He makes
No,
everyone
but
feel so
Yun
comfortable.
nga, busyness. No? Pero how lucky are we also
Yeah.
to be busy then? Pero importante din na you find time for yourself. Sana
Yeah.
naman.
Yep.
Sana naman. Diba?
It's a really good problem to have.
Oo.
To be busy.
That's true.
True.
Tama. Pero kayo guys, pag busy kayo,
Very true.
kasi syempre sometimes we also like to make time din, di ba? Minsan kailangan talaga sabihin natin sa sarili natin, let's pause for a while. Kayo ba nagagawa niyo yun? Like, what do you like to do pag nangyayari yung mga ganun?
Ken?
Nag-basketball
Play
kami.
basketball, di ba?
Oh. Oo.
Ang hirap, yung time kasi, sobrang random din siya dumadating sa
So you can't.
So, like, mayroon kaming calendar. If there's
Oh,
a
wow.
spot na walang nakalagay doon, walang gagan.
Jeez,
merong
Filipino
magkaroon ng
men
gagawin
are just
doon. So,
the most
hindi kami
handsome.
palaging kakaroon ng yung
Sorry, pal, I'm
talagang
listening.
nakataga na sa bato na rest. Pero yung mga ganong klaseng bagay like basketball, like lumalabas kasama yung W3, yan. Ano siya, parang kahit na may ginagawa kang activity, na parang nakakapag-rest ka na rin. So, yung mga ganong moments, hindi talaga namin pinapalagpas. Minsan
Good.
nga, kahit na after training,
Alan's a little tan, like he caught the sun a bit.
After nun. Tapos wala lang, happy-happy lang. Tapos uwi. So, tapos resume na ulit sa work.
Feel ko nga para sa mga sobrang busy na tao, ang hirap mag-rest nung talagang wala kang gagawin.
Yes.
Parang you just have to divert na, okay, busy ako sa gantong bagay. Parang basketball muna ako or anything else. Basta hindi yung kung ano yung nalulunod ka na bagay.
Tsaka minsan, pag nasanay ka sa ganun like for example, restless ka in a way na yung mind mo, pag
Oo.
feel mo
So barefaced, look at him.
May backlogs ka sa ibang bagay. Syempre parang, instead of, since sanay
What
ka
a
na gumagalaw,
stunner.
kumikilos, hindi ka na sanay nung relax ka lang, gano'n. Uy, ano bang pwedeng gawin? May ganong feeling kasi,
Parang mali.
oo.
Mali ito.
Saka yung utak mo umaandar.
Oo.
Kunyari umupo ka lang, hindi titigil yung utak mo so kailangan mo ma-distract.
So, whether it's, di ba, may ayusin ka sa family mo, ano mo yung aso mo, or ano lang, mga
Ano yung
simple
aso?
things, mag-isip ka, or gano'n.
Play.
Alam mo yun? So, mas nandun kami na parang, siguro dahil nga, since we're not just artists, and we run the company, so parang ang daming kailangan isipin.
Yeah.
So true. Feeling ko similar tayong lahat in that sense. Kami din ni Nico parang ganun. Yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, yung parang yung body clock natin, freestyle, di tayo sure kung may body clock talaga. Parang wala talagang set. And kami din, parang ganun din kami. Kahit na there are days na hindi kami ganun ka-busy, ang dami pa din naming iniisip. Like,
Yeah.
medyo nakakapagod talaga siya. But, yun na nga, parang it's that kind of, parang hinahanap mo din kahit na nakakapagod siya. And you can't imagine
Yeah.
not being that way. Ang hirap din for people like us. To
Sa akin,
not
hirap
be
ako
that-
mag-let go sa... Kunyari, kahit busy ako, parang hindi ko pwede i-let go yung jiu-jitsu ko na training. Parang kailangan, okay,
Always 'cause you're getting a
rehearsal ako.
release, right?
Kailangan ko pa rin
Yeah.
magganto. Parang hindi... Pag,
I love the sound of Nico's
Yun
voice.
yung icebreaker
Really?
natin. Joke.
parang pag nabawasan
Soothing
yung
to
ginagawa
listen
mo, feel
to?
mo may mali. Lagi.
That's true. And feeling ko important din naman yun Parang balance lang. As
Yeah.
much as we try, hindi na tayo sure kung may balance talaga. Tinatry natin. And that's the important part. Yun talaga yun.
Pero yun nga lang na-discuss ko kanina yung walang spot or let's say walang schedule. Kasi nabanggit niya na parang nakaka-guilty nga pag walang gagawin. So, kahit na wala siyang schedule, parang maghahanap ka ng gagawin. Parang gusto mo may gawin. Siyempre lalo na sa time kami ngayon na nagpo-promote kami ng music namin. Mahalaga na every day or siguro every moment na kung may need kami gawin or may pwede kami gawin.
Ng
Magawa namin.
content, no?
Oo.
Parang mga ganun bagay na pwede isingit.
So in short, it's an us problem.
Oo.
Tayo may kasalanan.
Tayo na yun.
Oo, tayo na yun.
Pero yun rin naman reason kung ba't kayo nandyan. Kaunasan
Yes,
kayong
that's
Yeah.
true. It goes hand in hand no sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Of course, nakita din namin yun sa mga personal endeavors ninyo, yung mga music careers ninyo, solo music careers. Nakaka-excite din to have all of you together here right now. And syempre, na-excite din kami kasi I'm sure ang dami yung natutunan from, pursuing your own paths in the music that you wanted to make as individuals. So ano ba yung mga, let's talk about those things first. Yung mga na-realize ninyo
Yes,
tungkol sa
one by
sarili
one.
ninyo while you were making your own music. Yes, Stel. Joke. Joke lang. Go.
Go on.
Okay. Sige.
Wala siya choice.
Ako naman kasi parang kilala naman talaga ako as ganito, na parang super vocal,
Yes.
super maingay, sobrang makulit, parang ganun. And na-realize ko while doing solos, hindi ko talaga kaya ng walang, alam mo yung kabanter. Ang hirap na walang kasama na parang mapagkwentuhan ka ng nararamdaman mo at the moment, yung feeling
Yeah.
mo na yung excited ka, nilook forward mo sa isang bagay or sa isang event. Parang ang hirap lang kasi may one time na parang I remember I'm going to Australia. Parang yung time na yun. I'm going to Australia to attend yung Wicked, yung movie.
Good
Parang
job.
I was invited by the host. By the host.
Si
May
ano
host
ba?
pala. Hindi,
Well.
invite ako to attend the premiere night. Tapos parang supposed to be may kasama ako doon. Pero kasi parang nagkaroon ng problem sa visa niya. So parang ako na yung kailangan pumunta mag-isa. Tapos wala akong kausap the whole flight. As in, parang
Oh, he just
gusto ko
craves that,
magkwento,
doesn't he?
pero wala akong mapagkwento.
Company.
Sabi kay flight attendant bigla, baka mawirduhan siya. And
It's not
English
weird.
din kasi.
They'd
Hindi,
love
joke lang.
it.
Hindi, parang, tas pagbaba ko ng plane, ang sakit ng lalamunan ko. Kasi
Oh.
siguro dahil hindi ko nagamit
I
yung
hate
boses
that
ko
feeling.
masyado. Sobrang sakit. Tas pagdating doon, parang super lonely and super dry nung feeling ko. Parang hindi
You
ko
should have
nalabas
recorded a
yung,
vlog.
alam mo yun, yung emotion, yung feeling ko at the moment na super excited ako pero wala akong mapagsabihan. Parang ganun. Yun yung na-realize ko na parang I need someone talaga or my group para mapaglabasan ko nung parang energy na nakikip ko palagi. Kasi parang pagka kinikip ko siya, sasabog siya anytime eh. So parang kailangan ko talaga siyang i-express. Siguro, it's a me problem nga. Parang ganun.
Yun talaga yun.
But-
Yun yung uwi natin.
But yeah, and na-realize ko din sa mga performances, parang ang hirap mag-banter mag-isa.
Oh, that's true.
Mag-banter ba tawag doon ng mag-isa? I mean, mag-spill mag-isa nang walang ka-banter. Parang ganun.
Oh,
Siyempre,
but you're so good
as an
at it.
artist, normal naman na parang nakikipag-interact ka sa audience. Pero
Yeah.
yung
Isn't he? He's so good at that.
feeling ko
Immediate
na
response
May kakulitan.
Oo, parang
Oo.
ang hirap din na parang for example nag-host ka tapos wala kang kabatuhan. 'Di ba parang hindi lumalabas yung mga creative juices mo or yung mga banat mo na mas ma-amplify pa sana yung idea mo. Pero
Oo.
hindi ang hirap eh. So, yun yung na-realize ko na parang kailangan ko talaga ng kasama.
Oo.
Para mas lumabas yung kulit and yung personality ko.
That's true. Kasi pag mag-isa ka, as somebody, di ba, nag-host din ako mag-isa minsan. Not minsan, all the time.
All the time.
Oo, so kinakausap ko talaga yung sarili ko. But kasi, pag mag-isa ka, yung brain mo, as in, non-stop
Oo,
talaga
non-stop
siya.
na nakaisip ka ng idea bigla.
Oo. Pero pag hindi mo siya malabas to someone na hindi audience,
Yeah,
ang
yeah,
hirap. So gusto ko na-confirm mo yun about
Oo.
yourself.
Sobrang hirap kasi talaga. Parang naghahanap ka ng parang syempre sanay ako with the group and sila yung comfort zone ko talaga. Parang
Comfort
every time
zone.
kasama ko sila, parang hindi, totoo lang, I can be whatever I want. Parang pwede ko masabi anything talaga na kahit sobrang petty ba yan, sobrang babaw ng
Yeah,
mga
yeah. Safe space, no
nare-realize ko sa
judgments.
mga bagay-bagay. Parang anytime pwede ko silang kalabitin, sabihin. Pero pag mag-isa ka, parang ewan naman ako dun, alam mo ba self? Parang parang wala lang. Yun lang yung na-realize ko na I need someone talaga na kahit isang tao man yan, dalawa
Write a
na
diary
mapagsharean ko ng feelings ko at the
Tama.
moment. Parang ganun. Yun lang. Pero happy naman na
and then make it into a
nabigyan ako
song.
ng chance to do solo kasi parang, alam mo yun, opportunity rin yun eh. And thankful na
He's
may
making it
ganung-
sound like
may
he's never
ganung
gonna do that
sa amin,
again.
Opportunity na parang
Sylvester.
kahit nag-solo kami,
Behave.
parang yung group nandito pa din.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat sa'yo, sa inyong lahat.
Pero that's true, no? Kahit na medyo
He's
awkward siya at
addictive.
first, yung
His personality
trying
is
to interact
addictive.
by yourself.
Yeah.
Nagawa mo eh. So that at the end of the day, yun talaga yun. You're still able to do it kahit na out of your comfort zone. And alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. So I love that. And I'm sure makikita din namin yung mga learnings mo. in
the context of the group.
Oh, in the context of the group as well. But I also want to hear from Ken. Yes. Ikaw naman.
Sorry,
May bago
Kenny?
ka bang na-discover about yourself throughout this solo period?
Ano ba na-discover? Parang wala.
Same ba din?
Just, parang wala namang discovery.
Mm-mm.
It's fun. It's fun doing solo music and performing solo sa ibang bansa. And it taught me a lot na
He's spoken about
Kasi
this
ako kasi
before in an
hindi ako
interview. I
pala
remember him talking about it.
I have to do it by myself.
Yeah.
And I taught myself how to speak in front of like so many people. So, ayun, it
That was me hugging
sobrang
Ken, by the way.
I've found so much, joy performing solo then as much as I enjoy performing with these guys. And yun, parang naging teacher din siya sa akin. Although parang bali-balentong yung mga sinasabi ko and ganyan.
You
Thanks.
do.
Aminin ko man na hindi naman ako magaling magsalita. I'm not a good speaker.
Really?
Kasi
I
Kumbaga yung
disagree.
utak ko ba, parang hindi ko ma-put into, two words kung ano yung nasa utak ko ng maayos. And minsan iniisip ko, I have to be careful of what kung ano yung sasabihin ko sa mga tao kasi, yun nga, bantay sarado ka. So, kailangan mo lang kailangan mo maging careful.
Yeah.
sa
People
kung
are ready to
sasabihin.
just jump on
Ayun,
anything that you
masaya
say.
gumawa ng music talaga kasi it's something that it's the kind of music that I really like. Yeah, yun.
Look at his glowy face.
Not
Such a
kami
gorgeous
speechless.
boy.
No, kasi I understand what you mean. Kasi, backstory. Dati introvert ako. Introvert. Yeah,
Mahirap
oo.
maniwala, no?
Yeah, pero parang challenge ko yung sarili ko to put myself out there also. So nagigets ko yung sinasabi mo na ang hirap talaga to take that first
Yeah.
step. But the fact na nagawa mo and you're able to go on tour, even in Japan na may language barrier, grabe. That's like going
Then,
all in.
Coming from a group, for sure, big adjustment to
Oo.
learning all of that.
Yeah.
Extra layer pa na inisip mo kung ano yung reaction ng tao. Hindi lang yung kung ano yung sasabihin mo, pati yung anong balik nung sasabihin mo sa'yo.
Yeah.
Saka walang sasalo sa'yo dun eh.
Yeah.
Oo, yun
Walang sasalo
yun,
sa'yo
no?
na, kumbaga, you're all by yourself.
Yeah. And I think that proves na ganun ka-powerful yung music na ginagawa mo, na you love it so much, or ginagawa nyo, you love it so much na kahit na may mga challenges in your, hindi kayo sanay at first to perform individually, na-overcome nyo yun because you want to share the music that you create
Yeah.
with everybody. And how lucky are we? Diba? Na nagawa ninyo yun, you got over the hump, and now we're here, and we're back with the 5 of them. I mean, they never left, but obviously, ngayon, they're coming out with new music. I love it.
Wait.
And na-excite kasi yun nga, ang dami
I love it. Sounds proper
from yung
fangirling.
individual
Yep.
solo careers ninyo. And I'm sure na-apply nyo din sa paggawa ng music together as SB19. So that's where we're really curious din. Kasi ako, nag-uusap kami kanina, sabi ko, I love everything that they're doing. I've always been a big fan of. Pero nung nakita ko kayo ulit in Damn, sabi ko, damn talaga, grabe. As in, I was so speechless. I know one of Ate Meba, she watched me watch the music video for the first time. Tapos sabi ko, wala akong masabi. It's like watching a movie. So nice
Yeah.
seeing all of you together again. So, kwento naman kayo about, first of all, Damn. Kasi nakaka-excite na we weren't expecting it when it came eh. Alam mo yun, parang it came
Yeah.
like that. Sabi namin, oh my God, ang saya. So, kwento naman kayo about Damn.
Siguro how we plan yung dam. Parang nasimulan namin with pagsibol, yung parang nagkaroon kami ng somehow system
Yes.
or flow na tahimik tayo, tapos bigla na lang tayo mag-release ng music, ng magandang surprising for the fans, parang ganyan. For Dam, somehow since nagustuhan namin yung result from the previous latag na ginawa namin, we apply yung parang ganun nga na strategy or actually parang ang creative lang siya, not very strategic, kumbaga nilabas lang namin yung gusto namin, pero this time parang we find something na hindi na parang mas risky. So we're going towards dun sa medyo mas risky na way. And nung pinaplano namin yon, nung una sabi namin, magtipid tayo sa music video. Kasi,
Parang hindi
Grabe.
nung una. Tapos, nagkaroon pa kami ng brainstorming session. Dito rin mismo. Tapos, may mga words kami na inipon, ganyan. Ganito siya. Ganito yung kakalabasan niyan. Wala pa yung music wala pa yung Dam. As in, for the simula at wakas lang in
Keywords
general.
muna.
Mga keywords, pinag-usapan na ano bang gusto nating marating, ano bang gusto nating sabihin, ipakita, ano yung nai-imagine, and end up kami dun sa parang revolution, medieval, mga ganyan na concept. So parang, in a way, nandun kami, kahit wala pa yung music mismo. And we imagine, we hear it already, kahit wala pa talaga siya. Parang ganon. So, ayun, sinimulan namin na parang, hindi, masyado tayong maraming ginastos last year. Magtipid tayo this year. Parang, parang, ang dami kasing pumapasok na idea pag nagdi-discuss kami. May mga ideas na, hindi naman siguro natin kailangan ng magandang music video para sa ganyan. Hindi natin kailangan ng ganito kasi nag-e-effect naman. Parang ang daming ideas. Madami rin kaming samples na binabanggit. Bakit si ganito? Nag-work naman. Ito nga, TikTok lang eh. Parang ganon. So, parang ang daming strategies na, why not? Ganito na lang gawin natin. Why not ganyan? Pero, since SB19 kami, parang hindi namin mapigilan na okay lang yan. Gusto natin to eh. Gusto namin yung music video. So,
It's the
binigay na
passion.
namin din lahat ulit dun sa Dam. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon kami ng moment na parang hindi naman sinasabing hindi mag-effort, but nagkakaroon din kami ng mindset minsan na ano yung parang very strategic and mas, ano yung term?
Cost efficient.
Cost efficient.
Wow.
Parang ganyan.
Taray.
Parang nagkakaroon din kami ng mindset na ganun paminsan, pero hindi nawawala yung gusto naming ilabas yung creativity namin. Kaya naging ganun si Dam.
Yeah.
Siguro kasi parang sinasabi nga ni Justin, since syempre may onesie kami and syempre we try to manage. May
Yes.
syempre may mga operational expenses, mga everything. So
Yeah.
tinatry din namin yung iba't ibang klaseng strategy from what we see, 'di ba? Sa yung publicly. Parang hindi wala naman tama or mali talaga eh. Nandun yun sa parang papakiramdaman mo nga kung ano yung what works for you. Parang sa amin naman, it doesn't mean na hindi mag-work yung ibang strategy, pero siguro kasi overflowing yung nakiisip namin for this one. And hindi namin, yun nga, sabi ni Justin, dahil nga hindi namin mapigilan na maging ambitious. Kasi it could turn out parang in a different way. Baka maging half-baked siya. Baka maging medyo, alam mo na, medyo cheap or cringe yung maging itsura namin. Siyempre,
It is
naka-costume
definitely
kami,
risky
naka-ano
with that.
kami.
Actually,
Diba?
medyo,
That genre,
risky
that concept.
Yung
It is
concept.
concept.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun yung pinaka-worry namin. Pero, tinry namin talaga na planuhin together with the prod team 1032. And then, ayun, parang sabi namin, sige, mag-risk ulit tayo since mahilig naman tayo mag-risk. Ayun. So, and it turned out well. And, parang, so very satisfied naman kami. Siyempre, kaya pang higitan. Pero, with the limited time that we had, parang naman kami, parang nakontento naman kami.
Yeah.
Jeez, if they
Ang
had
galing nung-
extended time, what
Parang
would
yung
it have
concept na
looked
ginamit
like?
nila. Usually, makikita mo na medyo glittery fantasy, pero yung grit nyo lumabas pa rin dun sa konsepto. So parang sobrang nabasag yung, yung sinasabi nyo possible
For sure, yeah.
corny feeling of it. Sobrang ganda nung kalalabasan.
So yeah, and sinasabi nga ni Stel, trust the process. Kasi imagine filming that, di mo pa sure kung
Sobrang
ano yung
for
itsura
sure.
nun
Yeah.
in the end. So, kumusta yung experience for you guys, di ba? Kasi may mga fairy, mga wings, ganun.
Ganun pala umacting kapag walang powers talaga. Di ba? Acting.
Oo. Tsaka nasabi mo nga, parang ang hirap umacting. Isipin mo, ini-imagine mo lang sa isip mo na parang ito yung set, pero nakikita na blue screen lang, tapos may mga konting set. Tapos i-imaginein mo na, for example, Stel, imaginein mo na nakakulong ka sa salamin, and then nakikita mo yung villain na version mo. Parang ako, paano yun? Parang umacting ka dyan na gusto mong kumawala, mga ganun. So parang challenging talaga siya eh.
But in such a good way?
Yun nga, tulad nga nasabi ko, trust the process. Kasi, feeling naman namin, yung mga nakuha namin for this epic project, yung mga right person talaga, and yung my heart, para dito, hindi lang yung masabi na parang, sige, gawin natin to kasi feeling ko ganito.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sila ganun. Parang, sila talaga
Well,
yung
that's
perfect
just
na tao
everybody
for
that
this
they work
project.
with,
Kaya
right?
naramdaman namin na parang, magtiwala talaga tayo. And imagine yung parang first send nila nung, anong tawag doon? Yung
Offline.
offline na parang cut to cut lang, tas hindi pa namin ma-imagine. Parang,
Kabahan.
ano kayo mangyayari dito?
Blue screen.
Parang gano'n. Tas, syempre, kami tatanong, okay ba sa'yo yung scene na yan?
Magagawa ba?
Oo, sa loob-loob namin, okay naman ako, pero paano yung magiging yung itsura na ito? Parang may mga ganun kaming moment. Pero yun nga, trust the process lang talaga.
Ano pa naman kami?
That's scary, isn't it? Investing so
hands-on din
much.
Lahat, pati yung team namin.
And
dito
then
sa
not knowing
Wonder. Kasi
until the
syempre nga,
final product
hindi siya
lands what it's really gonna look like.
basta-basta project lang.
Aha.
Parang hindi namin na-imagine kung ano yung magiging final output niya, and the limited time that we had, parang buzzer beater nga eh. Parang ganun eh. Di ba? Parang yung feeling na kailangan perfect na siya bago siya ilabas. So, talagang yung mga tao namin, lahat na, every detail, pinapansin, ito may bleed pa, ito may ganito pa. Ayan, talagang batuhan kami hanggang sa maging satisfied na yung lahat. Pero katulad nga ng sabi ni Josh, may isasagad pa siya, may hihigit pa siya. Pero satisfied naman kami lahat. Nung na-upload siya, talagang nandito kami nun. Yes!
Actually, buong team.
Sigawan yung buong team. So, we're very happy dun sa kinalaban ni Dam.
parang I imagine
Good.
nga rin kung parang what if mas malaki yung team? What if we have more time?
My questions
Yung parang
exactly.
more budget na kasi nakikita naman natin yung sa Wicked, yung mga behind the scenes na pinopost nila.
grabe.
Tunay na set,
Yeah.
tunay na lugar, lahat may effects, parang ganyan. Kumbaga, I mean, major pa rin yung effects na ilalagay nila, pero compared dun sa ginawa namin, parang minimal yung pwede. Mafe-feel na nung nag-acting, makikita na, nai-imagine mo na. So imagine what more. Parang yun yung sinasabi ni Josh na may isasagad ba? What if we have more time? Pero kaya imagine with that limited time, limited budget, limited people na nag-work, naka-pull off ng ganon. So we're very happy and proud sa lahat ng tao na
Exactly.
naka-work na.
With what you've
Actually, may
had,
sinabi si
look
Rick
at
Rubin about
that
dun sa ganung
output.
konsepto na parang for artists, ang dali mag-hold back. If feeling mo hindi mo pa mabibigay yung best ng isang idea. Parang sabi niya, all of the ideas are just there. Tapos kung nakuha mo na yung idea tapos hindi mo pa siya grinab with whatever capacity you have, makukuha siya ng ibang tao.
Yes,
So
tama.
parang the thing is parang okay, if it's an idea and this is our capacity to do that, parang might as well just do it.
Yes, yes.
Kasi that's the best
Exactly.
version of what you have there.
May mga ganyan kaming scenarios na parang nagtatalo kami.
Ah.
Ano mo na? Hindi, sabi, baka maunahan pa tayo ng
Yeah.
iba.
Look at Mr.
Parang something like
Risk-taker
about
here.
if may mo
Do you see
nakaisip,
this?
Hindi lang naman tayo nag-iisip
Yeah.
ng ganyan. Di ba?
Mr. Ambitious
So,
Risk Taker.
Just take the risk.
Yeah, yun
diba?
talaga yung mindset na if it's not me, if it's not us, it will be somebody else.
Exactly.
Yun talaga yun. And it's funny na to hear you guys talk about yung mga ganyan. Kasi to us, hindi namin naiisip yun eh. Kasi when we see the final thing, di ba, sabi na, grabe budget ng SB19.
Actually, yun yung
grabe.
comment.
Like, yun talaga
Yung
yung
initial
comment.
comment
Parang
din,
it's
grabe
been
budget.
a level up already from what you guys have done before. And gusto namin na narinig yung mindset na even for you, kahit na na-level up na siya, it can be even more pa in the future. And I think that's such a good foundation sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo because you're thinking long-term. You're thinking, forward na din, which not everybody, even normal people, parang di naman tayo palagi nag-iisip long-term, di ba? So
Yeah.
I like na, yun nga, naisip niyo yung mga ganon. Because I think it's also the business side of things for you guys. Kasi syempre, more from when you first started to where you are now, medyo iba na din yung mga, hindi naman iba yung priorities. Nadagdagan lang yung mga
Yeah.
priorities ninyo. And nag-reflect.
Mas lumawak yung goals na.
Yeah. Oo.
Not just for SB19, but for Onesie.
Yeah.
Yep.
Whole team.
And for the whole creative industry siguro, parang since yun nga, parang lagi kami naglalabas ng mga fresh ideas, fresh music videos, or parang medyo kakaiba. Gusto lang namin na, ever since, gusto namin na parang china-challenge yung creative
Yep.
industry para lahat din tumataas yung value ng
Yeah.
buong industry natin. Kasi di ba parang before parang nasasanay tayo sa yun nga, okay na to. Di ba?
Budget.
Okay
For
na
music
yan.
video, 30,000. Okay.
Ay,
Exactly.
parang yung mga tao kasi na nag-work behind the creatives, bina-value din namin talaga na hindi lang naman ganito yung worth ng mga yan eh. So, dapat makita ng mga tao na ganito yung output natin para nagiging norm na siya na hindi na siya iba. Kasi before parang takot pa sumubok yung mga tao na parang iniisip, nag-work naman yung ganito eh. Ito nga si ganito lang eh. Parang okay na yan.
And as creatives and artists nga, may kita mo na parang from the time na naglabasan yung mga good quality material, pati yung as hanggang sa business side, like the standard rates are going higher and higher. So parang it's a good thing for the creative industry nga na nagagawa yung mga ganyang bagay.
Puro kasi kailangan muna may mauna
Oo,
bago sila
exactly.
gumawa.
Yes.
That's why
Takot tumalon yung mga
Yes.
tao.
Somebody has to take that
Pagka-
step.
yung pagiging risky talaga.
Yeah.
Parang gusto laging may bench.
Look, I wasn't going to talk very much. It's the first time, 27 minutes in is when I'm really going to lay into this comment because there were a lot of naysayers in the beginning. There were a lot of people like, why? Why does there have to be P-pop? Why are they doing what they do? Why do they think that they're so important that they can go around doing this sort of stuff? A lot of naysayers, okay? But you see it. There were all these people that had all of these ideas, but they didn't have the guts to do it. And there, you have 5 individuals that came together with this one goal, this one objective, an inclusive objective at that, and they have the guts and the capabilities to do it. That's all that needs to be said. Whether anybody else gets more streams, gets more viral popularity, fills more seats in a stadium, it's beyond the point. The people that are taking those first steps, taking those risks, are SB19 and 1C Entertainment.
Siya muna,
Exactly.
may comparison.
Kung mga
Pero-
test muna, okay, yung iba muna. Let's see, baka mag-flop yung gawa.
Pero that's one good thing din kasi as business owners, parang as much as possible, you'd like to mitigate the risk yung possible mo makuha. Pero syempre, kapag may idea ka nga, andun na siya, bato
Di mo
mo na,
pwede
gawin mo
bitawan.
na.
Yeah.
Parang pwede namang gawin yung ibang, pwede man ma-mitigate yung risk dun sa ibang bagay, pero yung pinaka-output, yung pinaka-idea,
Yeah.
kung mong isa-sacrifice just because you're afraid na mag-fail yung
Yeah.
bagay na yun. So, I'm really proud of what we released.
Yeah. You know what? Yung dam namin, sobrang saya ko talaga nung shoot namin. I mean, I think it's obvious kasi
Yeah.
fantasy ko kasi yun eh. As a person who loves anime so
Yeah.
much,
Yes.
Yeah.
Very
it was
aligned.
like, yo, I'm in this world.
Oh.
This is my world. This is my territory. Alam mo yun, parang ganun. Naisabuhay ko na yung matagal ko ng pangarap.
Oo.
Kasi parang
Fantasy.
feeling ko talaga nasa loob ako ng nasa loob ako ng ibang mundo.
Yeah.
Like kahit blue screen lang makita mo sa background, but nai-imagine ko talaga yung paligid ko na like big castle sa likod ko. Alam mo yun, mga ganun. So sobrang saya ko nung sinut yung dam. Tapos pinapagawa namin
Good.
yung mga staff namin ng mga bagay na alam mo yun, dumb things. Okay, pwede nyo gawin to. May pag ganun pa ng espada. Kala mo naman talaga. Puro masaya, sobrang saya. It was, for me, greatest, experience.
Oh.
Nabuo yung mga
Honey.
namin, dreams namin.
But going beyond the business and visual side of it, let's go into the music. Coming from you guys having parang your own stints of doing your solo stuff. Paano naapektuhan yung pag-create nyo ng music going back into this EP in terms of sound, parang sound design, choices in terms of ano bang recipe natin, ano ingredients from each one of you guys yung ginamit nyo for creating this whole EP and Damn.
Parang lumala.
Siguro ultimately, ako personally, I feel like pag nag-start kami ng isang EP, we'd like to check out kung ano yung nangyayari sa group. Ano yung current situation namin sa lives namin.
For like
yung
topics and
emotions
things.
namin.
Yeah.
Nasaan ba kami sa punto ng karera namin? Ano ba yung gusto namin mangyari in the future? So, yun yung buong, parang kailangan ma-encapsulate yun ng EP na ilalabas namin. Kasi yun yung era na ipapakita namin sa mga tao. And kami naman, ever since, gusto talaga namin, bukod sa relatable, talagang totoo siya. Yung nangyayari siya sa amin. Kasi, unang-una sa lahat, kaya kami siguro sinusubaybayan ng mga fans. Kasi sobrang
Yes.
nakikita nila sa amin
Absolutely.
na yung mga ginagawa namin. Totoo, kumbaga ano yung ramdam namin, may kinakapitan sila and nakaka-relate sila sa story namin. So, talagang hindi kami takot maglabas ng music na kung ano yung nafe-feel namin, kahit ano, lalagay namin yan. Minsan nga, parang,
And before Pablo goes into more depth, I really want to listen to what he's saying, so I need to get this off my chest. A lot of people will get a certain level of success, and then you notice that they start to change. They start to become who the audience want them to be, or their music label wants them to be. They start to conform. All the things that they were talking about, authenticity, it starts to slip away because they start becoming who they think they should be rather than who they really are in that moment. And I think SB19 are brutally honest. They really are. And I love that. And may it never, ever change.
kahit sabihin ng mga tao na hindi na yan radio friendly or ano na yan. Pero ito yung nararamdaman. Parang meron kami mga naka-receive na siguro, mga few
turn it
messages
down
na
then.
parang ang ingay lang nung kanta, parang gano'n lang. Ano, kung full of passion ka or frustrated ka, meron bang sobrang tahimik mo ba ibibigay? Siyempre, na parang ka.
If sumasabog ka inside, for sure yung tunog.
Ganon yung tunog,
Sabog
di ba?
din.
Parang, so, yun, yung album namin, naging ganon siya. Merong about
I will not hear a bad word about Damn.
complete sadness, reaching for your dreams. Kasi yun pa rin yung ginagawa namin every day of our lives. Yun pa rin eh. Parang, what if gawin kuya namin to? What if ganun? Parang everyday you're trying to reach for the star na hindi mo makamtan or hindi mo makuha right now. Pero nakikita namin na everyone's working for hard
Who's
for it.
saying that they're not radio friendly?
Sobrang dami eh. Parang yung EP namin,
I really
nakalimutan
don't
ko
understand that.
Explain mo.
Hindi, siguro ano lang, parang, yun nga, yung parang sa sinasabi ni Pablo, nagkakataon na yung mga songs sa EP namin,
Nangyayari talaga.
parang, kumbaga, kung i-compare mo
I
siya
love
dun
being
sa previous
this job, being this like sub
meron
leader
siyang katumbas,
to
parang
support
gano'n, na kasi
everything that
kami,
will explain what
Ah,
Pablo's been
yes.
saying.
Parang sinadya na dapat ito ganito, that meron tayong kantang ganito. More on, we just think na kailangan namin tong kantang to. Parang ganon. So, siguro pinaka, lang, yung Damn. Kasi, in a way, intentional siya na parang medyo tunog, gento, and what.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
parang yun yung katumbas niya. But, nung ginawa yung gento, hindi naman yun yung mindset or plan. Parang, in a way, we just do what we want. We take songs na sa tingin namin we want. Maganda, nakaka-relate kami. Even yung mga demos na nila ng ibang producers, nagpasa sila ng demo and naririnig na namin yung parang eto to, isasama natin to sa EP natin. So, yung nagkakataon siya na iba-iba kami. And yung laman din ng EP namin, iba-iba yung tunog.
Yes.
Pero at the same time, lahat, hindi naman per member, siya yung nag-express ng emotion ng isang song.
Yeah, we
Lahat
understand,
kami
we get it.
May side ng heart namin, ng current emotions namin na magre-relate dun sa song. Kaya siya nasasama. And kung makikita nyo, may yun nga, parang frustrated, merong malungkot, realization na maubusan ba kami ng oras, what's gonna happen next. Pero at the same time, may mood kami na kaya natin to, let's shoot for the
Shooting
stars.
for the stars.
Yun yan. And minsan, yung mga kalokohan namin na nagiging chaotic with so parang ang daming emotions na nilalabas namin sa journey namin na nakikita nyo dun sa EP from simula pagsibol hanggang pagtatag na mapo-point out I think ng fans kung ano yun. Ito parang ito si SB19, ito yung mga emotions nila, parang ganun yung nagiging nangyayari. Kaya iba-iba talaga yung naririnig per EP.
Coming from, yun nga, yung sinabi nyo na yung music na ginagawa ninyo, parang yun yung music na kailangan nyo din at that time, di ba? So, pag-usapan natin yung mga kanta in the EP. How are these songs na kinailangan nyo when you made it? Like, for example, Time or, the other tracks din. Tungkag.
Siguro to start with Time, kasi yun nga, nung nagpaplano kami, in a way, tumagi sa isipan namin na what's gonna happen next. Kumbaga, although ever since nasa parang isip na namin na hindi naman kami forever SB19 eh. Parang,
Hi.
yun nga eh, kumbaga, what's gonna happen next? And isa dun sa words, one of the words na lumabas dun sa usapan namin is legacy.
Yeah.
So ano yung gusto namin gawin? It is to leave a legacy. And dun sa Time, parang in order to do that, kailangan namin gawin lahat ng makakaya namin sa oras na meron kami. Which is we don't know.
I am so blown away by how well Jar is speaking. He has always spoken very well, but he often used to talk a lot in the creative direction area. But the way that he has taken charge of a lot of these conversations is just so commendable. I love it.
So, kailan ba talaga siya matatapos?
And also, since I've paused, I may as well say that I do remember when the EP released, a lot of people had said there's no flow between the songs. They're all so different. Do they even belong in the same EP? Like, it's messy. It's all over the place. And okay, if you're looking at it as an EP, I could kind of see where you're coming from, but also not, because when I listen to especially SB19's music, I think about it as a personality. That's a person with lots of different sides. Like how I am to you right now is not how I am 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Do you know what I mean? Like I've got so many different sides to me. So then why does somebody listen to that EP expecting to hear all the same thing? Like, wouldn't that be incredibly boring? Wouldn't that mean that some of the tracks were fillers?
So parang yun yung pinakasakto. Actually, nung nagbigay ng list ng songs about, nagbigay ng mga demos, nung narinig ko yung time, sabi ko, shucks, ito yun. Pero, nung una, ayoko siyang ipasok sa EP.
Really?
Oh.
Parang nai-imagine ko siya pang-retire. Parang ito yung last song namin pag magre-retire na kami.
Gets,
Baga
Parang
not
ganun.
yet. Ganun. Hindi-
Don't make me think about it that way.
Oo, pero parang yung nung parang nare-realize ko na ito yung simula at wakas. Natatapos talaga siya.
Boys,
pero
you are
magsisimula
7 years
ulit.
young, almost. Do
yun
not
nga,
talk
gaya
about
ng
retirement.
Sinabi mo kanina na parang pag may naisip kang idea, ibato mo na. And parang pasok talaga siya dun sa simula at wakas. And parang ito yung nakikita namin na magugustuhan ng lahat. Hindi na siya maingay. Pero yun.
Actually, yung time kasi, originally, maganda talaga siyang kanta. Pero to make it more, parang SB19 talaga yung story niya. Medyo tinweak namin siya. Parang, yun nga, napag-usapan namin, we want to leave a legacy sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Possible na hindi pa rin natin maabot yung bagay na yun. Pero, hindi kami titigil, gagawin namin yung lahat hanggang meron kaming time namin sabihin. Na parang, kahit na walang blueprint, kahit hindi tayo sure sa tinatahak natin, at least tayo makapag-leave ng mga symbols or marks na ito yung, sa akin ito yung nadaanan namin. Baka pwede nyo siyang magamit. Parang ganun yung story ng Time In na pag-usapan namin. After kaya ng album na to, magre-release pa tayo ng album. Kasi mawala na ako sa parang may mga ganong question or kaya pa ba natin or tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari.
Oh, gosh.
Kung maging successful yung namin. Tapos sabi ni Justin, di daw forever SB19. Ako kasi forever SB19.
Hurt ka ba?
I really want to cry right now. I don't know if you can see, but my eyes have teared up.
Time, talagang it struck
Don't.
a part of our hearts
Yeah.
na parang, what if di natin magawa lahat ng gusto natin? Gawin na lang natin. Kahit ridiculous tong idea na to, gawin na lang natin.
Actually, kahit sonically yung storytelling ng kanta.
I'm really
parang
upset by that.
Just kunyari, into the chorus, biglang cut ng lahat, tapos biglang pasok. Parang ang symbolic niya lang dun sa thought na in this career, may times na tumitigil kayo, then babalik, then titigil, then babalik. So, ang ganda nung binuong story nung song. Plus, parang it's very different pa nga dun sa mga ibang ballads yun. This is more of like a global pop ballad type of arrangement. And in terms of elements, kunyari with the clock ticking, sobrang ganda ng storytelling ng kanta.
And then, kasi, besides us, diba, it's a very relatable song. I feel like the hardest thing in this life is to make a decision. Kasi diba, bakit sinasabi kong decision? To make a decision. Kasi ang dami-dami na tao sa mundo na parang pinipili na yung comfort zone or ito na lang, parang yun nga yung nalilimutan natin na mas maraming tao na ipagpapalit or yung mga matatanda pag common na tinatanong mo or pag nanonood ako ng mga successful people, laging tinatanong sa kanila, ano yung regrets mo sa buhay? Lagi na lang sinasabi, sana mas ginawa ko pa lahat. Sana mas in-experience ko pa lahat. Sana mas nag-explore. So, yun yung nami-miss out natin na hindi natin namamalaya, na hindi natin tinatry lahat, na hindi tayo nagre-risk. Kasi, if we have time, yung pera, mababalik yan, very oras hindi.
So true.
So, we should be risking more and we should be, we should be living more. Yun lang
Yeah,
siguro yun.
that's so true,
Sabi
and
nga
that
nila,
resonates with me so
Mag-time
much.
may dibiro.
I'm sorry,
Sino
what?
sila?
Kailan ba to? Sige.
Sino?
Kaya naman mag-time
I'm sorry, what? How do I rewind this? Because this is not on the same. Shall I try?
Kaya naman mag-time
Oh, wait. I'm going to really mess this up.
We should be living more. Yun lang yun siguro yun.
Yeah. Sabi nga nila, mag-time may dibiro. Ano daw?
Sino sila?
Kanina ba to? Sige.
Sino?
Kaya naman mag-time hindi biro daw sa amin.
Puro nagjo-joke.
I love it.
Sino ba nagsabi nun?
Nagjo-joke.
Grabe.
Alam niyo ba yung movie na The Intern?
Yes.
Yun yung parang, yun kasi yung, nung napakinggan ko kasi yung time, though demo pa lang siya nun, pumasok talaga sa akin yung messaging ng movie na The Intern. Kasi parang, yung scene nung matanda na nasa home care siya,
Oh, yeah.
na parang sabi niya, look at them. Parang siya, lawyer siya, ilang cases yung napanalunan niya, siya, police siya, mahal siya ng pamilya niya, ganun. Pero, at ngayon, sa gantong edad namin, saan kami nag-end? Same-same lang kami ng katapusan. At same lang kami ng tatahakin sa dulo. Mamatay din kami. So parang, kahit anong gawin mo sa buhay, kahit anong achievement mo in life, pero kung hindi ka naging masaya dun sa mga panahon na buhay ka,
Exactly.
parang wala siyang silbi. Wala siyang silbi. Ang importante lang talaga doon is kung ano yung nafe-feel mong gawin at feeling mo yun ang nararapat para sa'yo. Gawin mo na habang may oras ka pa. Kasi you'll never know kailan magsa-stop yung time mo. So parang
They're making me
yun
feel
yung
really
na-feel ko dun
emotional.
Sa music na yun. And talagang pasok na pasok sa amin. I mean sa lahat ng tao, career man yan, sa totoong buhay mo, sa gusto mong gawin. Parang you need time. Kahit sinong tao kailangan ng oras. At ang pinakaayaw din ng tao ay mawala ng oras.
Yes.
So, yun.
And you know I
Very-
always listen to
very
what Stel tells me.
Tama. Di ba palagi tayong
I'm listening.
pressure sa time, all of
Yeah.
us. But also at the same time, it's up to us yung mga ginagawa natin sa time natin. So gusto ko yung mga sinabi ninyo na, it's really about the journey and not really yung destination. Kasi
Yeah.
at the end of the day, same lang din.
Mm.
We're all gonna be old one
And
day.
it's the beauty na feeling ko, time lang yung uniform sa ating lahat.
Yes.
Na parang kung ano yung 24 hours ko sa isang araw, yun yung 24 hours ko sa isang
Oh.
araw.
So ano ba yung nagagawa mo in
Oh,
that
exactly.
24 hours? Wow! Dami nating,
Yeah.
Wow.
dami kong baon ha.
I know.
Oh,
What a
dami
great
nating
conversation.
realizations. It's the beauty of music. But if you have time on one end, you have dun ka on the other end. Parang ano siya, like very sonically, sonically very
Pablo's
different.
cheeky giggle.
No, so yun ang versatility, no?
So,
So let's talk about that then. Kung may time on one end, dun ka sa other. At let's talk about dun ka. Kasi nung napakinggan din namin ni Nico, sabi namin, wow, grabe. Oo.
Yeah.
Oo,
Yeah.
grabe yung energy, no? Feel namin, sabi ko, this is one of those songs na gusto kong pakinggan pag kakagising ko lang or something.
Oo,
para
yun
para
nga,
magising
yun siya.
talaga ako.
Fight song.
Oo, para
Fight song
ma-hype ako.
agad eh.
Oo. So, kwento naman kayo about dun ka.
siguro i-share muna namin kasi nung binubuo namin yung EP, syempre kailangan meron kang focus track, meron kang title track. So yung Dam is the title track. Parang it encapsulates the whole story of
Yes.
simula at wakas. Pero dito sa EP namin, talagang nagtatalo kami. Ano ba yung magiging focus track namin? Wala pa si Dungka nun. Wala pa si
Yeah. Wala pa.
Parang 5 songs pa lang yung na-collate namin. Sabi na, parang may iba na gusto yung time, may iba gusto yung quit. So marami kami kinonsult. Kasi yung iba, yung isa natin kanta.
Eton. Shooting.
Shooting for the Stars, Eighton Ball. So, for us kasi naman, lahat naman malalakas na track siya. For us. Ako naniniwala ako na
Actually,
malalakas na
malakas.
track.
That's so funny, oh.
Iba-iba rin sila ng genre, iba-iba
Yes.
rin sila ng
Yeah.
bato. So, kapag pinakinggan mo sila, lalo na pag music lover ka or parang yun yung genre na
Yeah,
gusto mo, talaga
absolutely.
may enjoy mo siya.
Mm.
Pero kami, parang nagkaroon kami ng unanimous, as the five of
Di ka
us.
sure.
Parang, hindi ba?
Parang at the beginning, nung wala
Hello,
pa yung
devil.
Dungka, everyone, majority of the people that we work with,
Ito ng time.
time talaga. So even hindi nga yung nakakatrabaho namin directly, like third party people na paparinggan namin ng mga songs namin currently, time yung sinasabi nila, ay maganda yan yung dapat focus track pag release ng EP. Kami, first ever na first time na
nangyari.
pare-pares kami na nafe-feel namin na
Hindi
hindi
siya
si
hindi si
time
Time.
yung focus track.
Ah.
Kahit
Amazing,
parang
right?
Hindi pa
tinechnical na yung
Oo.
usapan, marketing, strategic,
Even the music labels.
music labels, yung mga partners, sinasabi, time
Time
kasi
talaga.
ganito. Para pag ina-explain na sa amin, yes, tama kayo, time.
Oo.
Pero hindi namin
Sa
nararamdaman.
puso nyo, hindi yun.
Oo, parang ganun. So,
Pero
ang
hindi na,
Oh,
not to
it's
say
so
na,
good to go with
Yes,
your
hindi namin
feeling.
gusto.
we think
Favorite
na
namin
sobrang ganda
And not
talaga.
to say
ng
na
time.
mali rin yung
Yeah.
decision nung...
Yeah.
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 So parang hindi lang talaga namin siya na-feel as focus track.
Yeah.
Although gustong-gusto namin yung time. And napahaba sobrang discussion namin. Siyempre, the marketing team, kailangan nilang mapagdesisyonan as early as we can. So makalatag sila ng plano for the release, yung rollout, ganyan. Pero talagang hindi. So nung lumabas na yung Dungka,
Hindi
doon
pa
na-
rin.
Hindi pa rin.
Hindi pa.
Parang in a way, pwede na. Ito na
Yeah.
yung pwedeng natin panlaban, pero not really parang, eto na nga. Hindi siya ganun. Parang, okay, better to than time. Parang mas ganun yung sa loob namin. Tapos one time nung nagmi-meeting kami, kung kailangan na talaga siyang ma-finalize, na-bring out ng kuya ko, what if sabay? Tapos lahat naman, hindi nag-approve. Pero ako, tsaka si Pablo, parang naano kami, oh,
Parang epiphany.
yun na yun.
Yun!
Pero nakakatawa siya kasi parang, pagsasabayin mo, syempre budget,
Yes.
yung tao na magwo-work, dalawang product siya, parang, shucks. Pero, at the same time ko, baka yun na yun. Ito na yung
Mm.
kakaiba na plano natin na bright idea. Parang ganyan na. Oh.
Light bulb.
Tapos, ayun, pinush na namin na, sige, sabay natin. Talagang magkaiba. And yung rollout na parang,
Surprise.
oo, surprise siya na, kasi, nung Dam, di ba, nung nirelease siya, yun nga, yung
Anticipation.
parang ginagamit ng mga bashers is maingay. Sige, sunod kami, ito time para naman sa inyo. Tapos parang joke, mayroon Dungka, parang gano'n yung dating niya. So, ayun, nakakatuwa lang na because yung feelings namin, meron siyang paroroonan. Parang
Pero besides those,
Very interesting point. I wonder what it was about time that didn't quite hit the spot. And they're saying that Dunka didn't also do that. But I wonder what is that magic ingredient?
parang nung wala pa nga si Dungka, tinitindan din namin ibang mga kanta. Like Quit, parang merong
Love Quit.
certain third parties na nagsasabi na gusto nila maging focus track din si Quit.
Yeah.
Ganda kasi ng Quit din eh.
Ang ganda.
First time namin mag-rock
So
song
good.
na as in ganun katindi.
Yep.
Tapos yung messaging niya, ang ganda rin. Parang, ayaw mamaday. Yung parang,
So good.
I mean, si Ken kasi nag-initiate nun. Siya yung nag-produce and nagawa ng track. Tapos, yung 8-ton ball, ang ganda rin. Iba rin yung atake, very hip-hop, na gustong-gusto rin ni Estel. Na pinagtatalunan namin. Pero, tapos, ano ba yung isa natin track?
Why
Shooting
do
for the
you
Stars,
always
iba rin sabi.
forget
So,
Shooting for the
parang medyo
Stars?
Wave.
Pablo.
overwhelming din talaga tong EP
I'm
na to for
upset.
us. Kasi, lahat yun parang part of our hearts na
Yeah.
parang pinipili na, ano ba yung pupush natin na matindi? Pero ayun na, nag-come up kami, ito na lang, itong dalawa na lang to. And I feel ko naman, somehow, yun yung naging compromise ng lahat na, okay,
Yeah.
yun na yung gawin natin.
And it
So
goes
fun.
to show na para sa inyo, hindi nyo problema yung unconventional
Always,
na
yeah.
way to do things.
Yeah.
Parang, eto yung naisip namin gawin namin di gagawin namin to.
I think it really doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Paano mo gawin? Kasi nasa mga tao kung paano
Yeah.
na lang nila ano yun eh. Kung ano yung reaction. Kumbaga, ano ba,
Nasa
paano
kanila
nila tatanggapin,
kontrolado.
kumbaga.
Oo.
Kasi there are a lot of songs na hindi naman siya yung focus na track, pero siya yung pinakasikat.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Kumbaga.
You
And
just
then
never know what to
usually, yung mga focus
expect.
na track, yung pa yung pinaka-least na gusto ng mga
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
Oo.
So, madaming ano eh, kaya right now, parang, okay, who cares, diba? It really doesn't matter.
No.
Kung mag-release man tayo ng hindi unconventional gaya na sabi. Mga ganyang klaseng bagay. So, ayun, we love taking risk. So, it's something that is very different, something that is very new. Especially for us, sabi nga namin nung una, dalawang kanta. It's ridiculous na parang pagsabay yung parang,
Very different.
let's go. Parang,
Dalawang
okay,
makinarya ang gumagana
susubukan natin
kabilaan.
tong kabaliwan na to. Sige, maging baliw tayong lahat. Tara, Jim.
Yeah.
So, ganun
Pero
lang.
parang ang possible niya nga isipin dahil naman
Yeah.
polar opposites sila eh.
Yeah.
Isang maingay, isang tahimik. So parang
Yeah.
kumbaga, hindi naman sila magka-cannibalize
Yeah.
Yes.
teams ng isa't isa.
Tama. And yung sinabi ni Pablo kanina na, if you were to choose, you would take what resonates with you. Ano ba yung gusto
Yeah,
mo?
yeah.
Ano yung pinapakinggan mo? And actually, yun yung nangyari sabi ni Nico when we first listened to it. They actually made us guess ano ba yung sa tingin ninyo
Aha.
yung focus track. Tapos yung answer namin was ako sabi ko Shooting for the Stars.
Oh.
And
Ako, doon ka ako.
doon ka. Yeah. Parang ganon. So sabi namin, sure ba tayo? Parang I feel like parang hindi kami sure.
And
Kasi
so,
they can
parang-
all be eh.
Ang
Yeah.
nakakagulat
That's the
yung
beauty
fact
of
na
SB19
one of the
EPs.
quietest song, sonically, isa siya sa Carrier. Parang sobrang hindi ginagawa yun na pag may mga iingay. Kasi usually, kunyari for an album or for an EP, may ingay na kanta, biglang may surprise sundot ng tahimik.
Yeah.
Pero hindi mo yun gagawing main Carrier eh.
Yeah.
Sobrang, wow.
Yeah. It's really interesting to
Yeah.
see. No? Kasi yun nga, not usual na double focus track yung nangyayari. And very ambitious nga din on
Yeah.
just everything that goes into it. Pero nakaya nyo and I think that's really cool and it's a gift to us din na parang lahat ng na-visualize nyo, lahat ng gusto nyo gawin, ginagawa nyo. So, very inspiring for us. And what was I gonna say? May train of thought ako, nakalimutan ko lang.
Kaya mo yan. 5,
4,
3.
3.
Ba't kaya ganun yung thoughts, no?
Pero siguro, share ko na lang din. Di ba, 5 pa nga lang yung songs na nakolate namin.
Aha.
So, I was trying to make one track that would, parang really capture everything na talagang feeling ko mag-okay siya. So, yung me and my brother, we tried to make studies ng mga kanta. Siguro nakatatlo na kami, pero hindi ko pa nadidinig yung gusto namin. Tapos yung pang fourth, yun yung din yun. Sabi ko, ay, eto na yun. Tapos, nung ginagawa namin yung lyrics, kasama rin namin si Ken nun. Parang, babatuhan kami ng mga ideas. Tapos, yung mga idea namin, very absurd. Kasi parang, kung ano lang ma-imagine namin. Tapos, pero hindi naman siya basta bato lang. Kasi, may gusto kami sabihin. Parang, yun nga, parang, this is our home, this is our house. Yun kasi yung donkey. Kumbaga, if hindi mo nagugustuhan yung music, hindi ka naman pinipilit o kung ayaw mo. Pero kung pumatok ka at gusto mo pumasok doon, edi go experience
Pasok ka,
it. Parang ganon. Tapos sabi ko, kung ayaw mo, doon ka na. Di ba? Parang, so, nung nadinig namin siya, nagawa namin yung music, okay. Parang ako doon, naging kampante na ako. Okay, gusto ko tong track na to. Tapos I'm really happy with kung ano yung kinalabasan niya. So
Actually,
fulfilled.
yun yung reason kung bakit dalawa yung nirelease namin. Kasi pag pinakinggan mo yung Doon Ka, pag ayaw mo nun, doon ka sa time ako.
Doon ka sa time.
Doon ka sa time.
Doon ka sa time.
So, ganun.
Pero sobrang saya lang ng yung process din kung paano siya nabubuo.
Ah.
Kasi you know that everyone's thinking about it. Everyone's so eager to make everything maging maganda yung lahat. So natutuwa ako sa team na lahat nag-iisip, lahat nagtatalo. Merong parang tension pero hindi siya
Yes.
bad tension but gusto lang
Healthy,
nila na
healthy work tension.
gusto nila maging maganda yung kalabasan ng lahat.
Saka ang ganda ng pinanggagalingan nung Doon Ka, parang as an artist, yung parang makikita mo ngayon sa landscape ng listeners na not to generalize, pero maraming, kunyari, di nila trip yung music. Parang instead of just staying in their own lane and listening to their music, parang they go out of their way na i-bash pa na parang,
Yeah.
di ko trip yan, bakit ganyan yung ginagawa mo yung music? Na parang yun nga, di dun ka. Hindi mo kailangan,
Yeah.
hindi namin
Ang weird
kailangan.
din eh. Parang yun yung pinaka-analogy ko dun eh. Bakit ka pa pumasok? Bakit ka pa kumatok-katok dito sa bahay?
Exactly.
Bibigyan mo pa ng
I
oras.
do
Oras
not
lang,
understand.
Bigyan mo pa ng oras.
Yeah.
Pero thank you Thank you dun sa mga ano.
Yeah,
Kasi
thank you pa din.
Streams
Oo.
pa rin
Streams yun eh.
Yeah. And
Comment pa rin yun.
and
Kung
time
sabihin
din
sa
yun,
kanila yan,
time.
malalaman na.
Alam mo yung
Time din
secret.
nila yun,
Time
time.
consuming.
Time din nila yun. So, yun talaga yun. But yun na nga, parang in this EP, there's something for everybody.
Yeah.
Diba? And that's, I think one of the best things about this EP then. Like, nung napakinggan ko yung
8-ton ball.
Itambo. Shooting for the stars.
more.
Quit.
Quit, okay.
Yeah.
Nung napakinggan ko yung Quit, sabi ko, oh my God, this sounds like yung music na pinapakinggan ko nung bata ako, like Fall Out Boy. Kasi I listen to a lot of pop punk. I know in our last podcast na pag-usapan din natin for a while, like Fall Out Boy, yung
Pop
mga
punk
that
early
era
yan eh.
Yes.
in music, which we've seen come back somewhat, di ba, ngayon. And gusto ko na you guys were also able to do your own take on that. Kasi sobrang saya lang. Like, it's something different nga
Yeah.
from what you've done before. So, ang saya lang to hear. Yun lang.
Oo, meron din era sa amin na quit na lang kaya kasi ang lakas din ng quit eh.
Yeah.
Parang sabi namin, ewan ko, parang ang sarap lang maglabas ng emosyon. Pag kinakanta namin yung quit, sobrang catchy rin kasi nung melody niya.
Actually, alam ko iba yung hindi siya ayokong mamatay yung una nun, di ba?
Hindi, too
Meron
young. So, sa amin, English.
Too young don't wanna die.
Yeah, too young, don't wanna die.
Tas-
So, ayoko mamatay, ganun pa rin.
Parang yun yung unang sinulat ni Ken. Tapos nag-add si Pablo na ginawa niyang Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog.
Ayokong mamatay.
Ayokong
Tapos parang nagkaroon kami ng idea na galing nga no, pwede
Actually,
mo
ngayon
siyang,
parang, yun nga yung parang tumatak sa akin.
Oo.
Ayoko mamatay. Lakas.
parang in a very serious yung dramatic na song. Parang in a way, parang nakakatawa siya na, ayoko mamatay, di ba? So, pero nag-work.
Emo na
Di ba? Parang,
bagong meta yun.
So, nakakatuwa siya na nagiging catchy siya for us. Tapos
Yeah.
yung thought pa na ayokong mamatay, pwede mong gamitin sa maraming bagay.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
literally ayokong mamatay, pero lagi rin kasi natin siyang ginagamit sa parang pag may gagawin tayong nakakatakot, sa games, challenging, parang, shucks, ayoko dyan, ayoko mamatay, parang ganun. So, wala lang. Relatable in a way na
Pero
dahil mong content.
para sa akin yung pinaka-message ng quit, kasi business owners din kami, parang ang hirap na paghiwalayin ng art versus trying to, yung parang think of business. So, parang you try to abide dun sa kung ano yung meta, ganon. Pero nawawala na yung kulay mo, parang ganon.
Yeah.
So parang yun yung ayaw namin mangyari. Na parang yun din yung messaging ng quit na parang kahit eto daw yung traditional or eto yung mag-work. Pero hindi kami to eh. Ayaw namin to eh. Eto hindi yung music namin. So yun yung parang feeling mo, kahit nabuhay ka pa, patay ka na kasi hindi ikaw yun, parang ganon. So yun yung pinaka-message ng song for me. And kapag nadidinig ko yung ayoko mamatay, yun na agad yung naisip ko, eto, wala.
Wala na kayong magagawa.
Wala kayong
Ito na
magagawa.
kami.
You know what? I've been listening to Quits since nakarinig ako nung
So
nung nalapat ko
So
lahat
good.
ng kanta namin. So beautiful.
It's so good.
Alam niyo ba, ayoko rin sana isama yung quit sa sa album.
Really?
Ayaw isama lahat ng kanta.
Gusto ko sa sunod siyang
Okay,
album.
gusto mo mag-single-single.
Kasi 'di ba, may tayo, yung pagsibol, yun, question mark, yung pagtatag, exclamation point, yung simula at wakas, period.
Yeah.
Yung quit.
Yeah.
Ganun mo.
I know!
Right after, joke na naman, hanep talaga si
Ang daming
Justin.
entry.
Siguro nag-practice sa bahay.
In front of the mirror.
Oh,
Kaya pala kanina.
sumakses.
Ang tagal niya nakupo dyan, nakaganan lang.
It was brewing.
Oh, akala ko meron serious.
May
Sabi ko,
baon
oh,
ko yun siya,
really?
May notes yan.
I love it.
Notes na dami yung jokes, oh.
So dinadaanan namin yung
He
mga
makes a
track
list
kasi,
of jokes.
gusto namin ikwento
Wow.
kung paano ka-chaotic yung pagpili namin ng
Yeah,
focus
yeah.
track. Kasi we feel like talagang strong contenders lahat ng tracks.
Yeah, especially 8-ton
Eight ton
ball.
Yeah,
ball
8-ton
din.
ball.
Oh.
It's also good. Parang vote din
Pa-porn
ata ni Stan
vibe.
yung 8-ton ball. Hindi, si
Quit.
Oh gosh. Kasi syempre,
Hindi ako nagbawi ha.
Second niya.
Vote mo na nakaraan ah. Vote mo rin yun na nakaraan. Meron nung pangalawa.
Second niya si Aiton Ball.
Ayaw nung wala pa yung dong.
tapos parang, yun nga pumapasok din yung business side eh. Kasi di ba
Oo.
parang alam natin na very helpful lang TikTok pagdating sa pagpapromote.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yung mga iniisip namin, kung danceable yung kanta, mas madali namin
Madali.
siya magpapromote. Unlike
Yes.
kapag mga ballads na
Ang dali
parang
biglang mag-viral na may
Oo,
increase eh.
kailangan ihintay mo lang yun or parang very natural, organically, magugustuhan siya ng mga tao. Pero kung hindi siya mangyari, di...
Pero si 8-ton ball, ano ang naging proseso niya? In terms of writing, production. It's very different. Actually, siya yung parang biglang curveball dun sa lahat nung EP.
Ball.
hip-hop. Pure hip-hop din siya.
Mainly ako yung nag-lead nung project na yun. So, yun nga, sinulat ko siya during Christmas season.
Okay.
So, nung Christmas, di ako nagbakasyon. Nagsulat ako. Kasi, parang, well, marami rin naman tao sa labas and all, di ba? Parang nakakatamad din na lumabas. So, nagsulat na lang din ako. Mas medyo, to be honest, nadalian pa ako nun sa sarili kong ibigay sa Hiton Ball. Kasi, siguro nandun ako sa nilalagay ko din yung
Yeah, it's totally different, isn't it?
Nung groups.
Oh, yung context ng group.
Nung mga members ko, yung paano nila kakantahin to, paano nila, ano yung magugustuhan nila, ganun. Then, of course, gusto ko na medyo, since pag ako lang kasi, kahit ano sabihin ko okay lang eh. Pero with the group, gusto ko na parang kung ano talaga yung gusto namin.
Mm.
So, ngayon, so it took me a while bago din siya matapos. Pero, yung pinaka main purpose nun kasi, yun na parang, yung chorus kasi nun parang might come crashing down eh. Na, hindi na, yung parang, hindi pa ito yung sagad. And, we can carry or we can help someone but we can break it as well. Yung parang,
Yeah.
diba? Yung parang, pwede namin, anytime, pwede namin itulak or i-push forward yung mga
Kumbaga,
kasama namin.
The
But,
higher you lift someone, the higher the fall
Yes.
would be rin
And-
pag binitawan mo.
and at the same time, ganun din, na parang pwede namin pakawalan kung ano yung gusto namin pakawalan, like whether it's parang art, creativity,
Yeah.
or ano, pwede namin wasakin kung ano yung norm, parang ganun. So, parang nandun ako nanggagaling. And, ayun, basically, gumawa ako ng demos, pinarinig ko sa kanila. Tapos, parang nag-ano kami ni Pablo na ayusin namin yung ibang parts. Although sa ibang parts, parang hindi ako agree. Pero
Ganun ako talaga. ganun.
personal preference yun eh. Pero
Yes.
syempre, kailangan, sabi ko nga, does it matter? Kailangan, ano yung group yan eh. Kumbaga, kung ano yung gusto ng lahat.
I feel like the whole
Parang ganun
exercise
kasi yun.
Yung trick nga daw with
was such a good thing for the
putting a
boys.
song into a group. Kunyari, pag grupo kayo, dapat pag may song kang sinulat, binigay mo sa grupo, hindi mo na kinoconsider yung nakanta mo.
Yes, di ba?
Kanta na siya ng grupo
Ah.
para yung preference mo, kaya mo nang ilan.
Kasi ma-hurt
Yeah.
ka eh.
Oo.
Kapag sinabi, ako siguro
Yeah.
niya, tapos
Oo,
babago-bago.
Yeah.
That wala ka ng parang akin yan eh. Wala nang ganun.
minsan kasi yun eh. Wala doon ka nang gagaling.
lalabas
ko yan eh.
at lalabas pa rin
Pinagpuyatan
yun
ko yan. Tapos babaguhin nyo lang. Pero pag inisip mo, syempre kung ano yung gusto ng lahat. And na-imagine ko rin yun nga yung choreography. And ano ba yung feeling kong medyo iba for us. Yung hindi pa namin na susubukan. Ganun. So yun, nandun lang ako nang galing. And ewan ko ba't ayaw ni Stel sabihin na binoto niya.
Yes, Del, explain
Pero
yourself.
binoto niya rin naman yun. Pero yun,
Ba't daw ayaw mo aminin?
ayaw mo aminin na
yun?
binoto mo rin.
Hindi, kasi nag-iisip tayo kung ano yung next after Dam. Eh,
Oo.
wala pa tayong option.
Wala pa yung doon ka.
Oo, wala pa ibang option. Tapos sabi ko, kung gusto nyo ng dance, Eighton Ball. Tapos nagkaroon ng discussion doon sa marketing side na parang ibang direction. So nag-isip ako, tapos pinakinggan ko yung mga songs. Tapos napakinggan ko yung Quit. Sabi ko, possible din na from maingay din, pero totally different.
Ibang
ano siya,
ingay.
ibang dating siya. Tapos nung pinarinig ko kay Ken, tapos ina-explain ko nga, parang bumenta naman sa kanila na sinabi ko, possible yung Quit a second. Kaya mas quit ako. Hindi naman sa ayaw ko sa Eighton.
Listen to how gently he explained
Ilong ko
that.
lang, hindi. Pero ayun, tapos, pero syempre, dumating din si Donka. So, ako din personally, parang, na-feel ko na, nung inaano na namin, sabi ko nga, if it's weird, then it's good. Kasi yung iba parang, weird yung unang take kay Donka eh. Kasi novelty attack siya eh. So, sabi ko, feeling ko mas okay nga na mag-risk sa something na parang hindi din parang weird for everyone. Kasi yun nga yun eh, yun yung maganda eh. Kasi sabi ko nga, wala namang standard eh, kahit ano naman pwede.
Actually, isang parang gusto ko ring i-bring up in terms of messaging. Because obviously from the previous projects to this project, in terms of messaging mas careless kayo. How open are you in terms of, syempre, dati mas nag-iingat sa mga sasabihin, in terms of image-wise, lahat ng bagay na yan. Ano yung nasasabi niyong growth niya from that to now na parang, ano yung limitations niyo in terms of messaging? Meron pa rin ba kayong boundaries?
Feeling ko meron pa rin. Pero mas na kami, carefree. Mas sinasabi na namin talaga kung ano nasa isip namin. Kasi, yun nga, yung fans kasi nag-grow din kasama namin eh.
Yeah.
So parang, napag-usapan natin kanina na nag-iisip na rin sila. Alam naman nila yung tama sa mali eh. Pero, kuwari, let's say, you said something bad or a bad word. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, you're a bad person. Di ba?
Yes.
Parang, so there are certain things na nasasabi mo yun, lalo na kapag frustrated ka, lalo na kapag, syempre gusto mo i-express yung sarili mo. And there's no other word that could describe how you feel if you don't say the word. Mga ganong, may mga ganong moments. Though, hindi naman explicit yung mga kanta namin. Pero, yung talagang no holds barred, kapag may gusto kami sabihin, regardless kung medyo may patama siya or ano, binabato namin siya. Kasi, yun eh. Kung hindi namin siya sabihin, edi, sinabi ko, meron pa nga kami moment na may gusto lumaban dito na isa na
Sino kaya?
Pero, ayun, nasaya siya eh. Parang, kapag nandun ka na, sabi nga nila, enough said, di na namin kailangan explain. Okay, lalabas na lang namin.
Minsan kasi yung mga tao, ang kukulit eh. Like, pinamanipulate, ika-crop, babaguhin yung storya,
Yeah.
i-revise lahat eh. Parang, guys, parang gano'n, gusto nyo ba talaga na ano ko kayo, patulan ko kayo. Pero, yun nga, buti na lang, kahit pa paano, to be honest, parang, nag-reflect ako during those times. Kasi pag mainit ka talaga, lalo na ako, hindi ko talaga minsan mapigil. Sabi,
May lagnat ka yun.
nag-ano na ako, minsan gumagawa na ako ng diss tracks, gusto ko na i-release, yung mga gano'n, yung parang,
Do it. Release a
hindi ko na
diss
sabihin
EP.
kung para kanina, pero yun. Pero, ayun na, ready na. Ay ko, re-release ko na to, wala na akong pakialam, parang gano'n. Tapos bilang syempre, i-remind ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo na chill ka lang kasi hindi mo naman kailangan gawin yan, gano'n. Marami ka naman at patunayan, kilala mo yung sarili mo. Yung mga gano'n, parang, okay,
That is so crazy.
na kumakalma ka or hihimasmasan yung tawag, di ba? And then, ma-realize mo, oo nga, baka mamaya mas,
Yeah. Once it blows over.
baka makalimutan ko rin naman to after a few weeks,
Ma-blown
gano'n.
out of proportion palalo pag
Di ba?
naglabas ng diss track.
Tsaka kailangan ko ba talagang umabot sa ganon? Do I really have to explain myself or do I just let my
Yeah.
siguro yung my work do the rest, di ba? Parang mas marami namang nakakakilala sa'yo rather than sa mga namamanipulate. Ayun.
And that is insane because wasn't I saying to you that I saw JC's response to something and I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I could be like that because I can't. He was just so calm and he was very willing to see all sides of the argument, even though the other person was completely wrong and out of line. And I was just like, what? But it's so funny to hear that actually, no, he does sometimes just lose control, get carried away, and there is a vault of diss tracks somewhere and we need access to them.
I think that's true kasi parang if you look at where you guys are now, yun nga, may pagka-carefree na kayo. And when we listen to the songs, napapakita
Can I also say, I think it's just utterly ridiculous. Sometimes you just get onto somebody's wavelength and you start moving along with them without even realizing. Something about me and SB really clicked. And I think that this is probably with 18 as well. Today, like 2.5 hours ago, I was having this precise conversation that it's all very well being a good person, but sometimes you have to tell people who you are and that they can't mess with you anymore because people start to take advantage. They think, oh, she won't say anything. She always just laughs. She's always so funny and kind and etc. She's not going to say anything. She's not scary. She's soft spoken. And then sometimes you have to be like, no, I'm really going to respond to this and then see like how the behavior changes. It's really scary that I was saying these exact words that I am now in my carefree era, that if somebody upsets me or says something, I'm so beyond listening to excuses or listening to fake apologies or someone trying to backtrack and cover it up because they couldn't control their mouth. I would just say it to their face, regardless of what the outcome is going to be. What's the worst that can happen? Because I've proven myself in that specific situation to be reliable, to be good at what I do. So then nobody has anything that they can say to me. I am merely standing up for myself at that point. So yeah, sometimes you have to lay down the law. JC, I feel you.
pakinggan namin yun in terms of messaging nga, yung mga, even just style choices na inaano nyo sa mga ginagawa ninyo. They're very SB19. But if you look at it in the grand scheme of things, sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo from the very start, you've come so far since where you first started na people don't realize na ang dami yung, dami
Exactly.
yung kailangan, ano ba? Like, there were so many things na kailangan yung gawin to get to where the point you are now and all of them were not easy, di ba? Ang dami ding personal struggles na hindi namin nakikita. And it's nice to hear from you na, there are moments pa din until now na parang natitest yung mga na-learn nyo from that journey. And yun nga, it's cool na napapakinggan namin sa EP and also we get to see it. Even just the mindset ninyo. Kasi yung mga kanta ninyo, they have certain messaging, right? Na you live it in your life talaga. And I think yun talaga din nakikita ng 18 na kung ano yung sinasabi ninyo, you really try to practice it. And I think that's what makes the music even more important. So yun. And I think for 18, nagiging relatable din siya.
Yeah.
Even more so. So yes.
Very relatable. Actually, tinitle namin sa kanila yung isang song eh. 18 ball.
Yeah. Ay, yeah, so,
We were
period. Yun na
waiting.
yun.
Sabi nga sa
Ito
isip
win
Okay
na
na
yun.
yun. Okay na
Nung
yun.
ginagawa ko siya,
Nakatahi na yun.
isipin nga nila for ano
18
din.
18 ball.
Kasi it's actually ano yun, di ba? Yung nung ginagawa ko siya, ganun din yung parang meaning eh. You, we go together, di ba?
Pero alam niyo ba yung 8 on ball?
They said, ano lang, ano.
Gano'ng kalaki siya?
Yeah.
As in 8 tons.
You
Nga
know,
po, akala ko nga po para siyang wrecking ball yung laki
Ako
niya.
din,
Tapos
yun
nung
nga.
tinignan ko,
Maliit lang daw.
Yung pang ano sa sasakyan.
Oo. So, ano ba
Yung-
significance ng 8-ton ball?
yung demo niyan, parang
Gibberish.
gibberish lang yung sinasabi. Tapos ibang tao yung kumakanta. Tapos may lyrics na doon na iba. Tapos ano ba yung 8-ton ball? Di ko maintindihan. Akala ko parang 8-ton ball ba, nababagsak siya, na
No.
ganyan. Akala ko super laki kasi 8 tons, di ba? Parang ganun.
Pero yun, ang pinaka-definite ano lang naman nun. Siyempre, yun nga, we're meant to carry. And we can at least, we're meant to carry.
Gets.
Parang ikaw yung taga-pull. Pero at the same time, pwede mo rin namang bitawan yun.
Yeah.
Pwedeng
Bigyan
mas...
mo siya ng sarili niyang
Aha.
So, ayun.
Galing.
Yun yung function niya.
Galing
Okay.
Justin doon.
Galing.
Galing Justin doon. Daming entry.
Ganda.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Parang ano yan eh. We just do our music authentically as we can. Kasi, yun nga eh. Parang naturally lumalabas lang siya. Naturally kahit di namin iplano. And then, parang relate ko lang sa sinabi ni Pablo, sa sinabi ni Justin, we guys are very, parang we are a very diverse group. Iba-iba talaga, even ugali, iba-iba. And hindi mo talaga alam yung i-expect mo. Parang, ano eh, box of chocolates, ganyan, di ba? Pero yun, at the same time, naniniwala ako na the right people will find our music. We don't
Yeah,
really
true.
need to fit the mold,
Force,
parang
oo.
ganon.
Exactly.
Or we don't really need to
Absolutely
be like the
not.
others. Or
Who wants to be like
walang-
anyone else?
Kailangan ganito. Bakit? Yung sabi nga, di ba, parang hindi radio-friendly or puro ingay. Parang
Who
doesn't
says you
even
are not
matter.
radio
Yun ba
friendly?
yung,
What
yun yung
idiots are saying this?
kailangan ba?
Sorry.
May standards ba pag nagre-release ka sa radyo or nagre-release ka sa
Parang
music
may industry
platform?
standard bigla na sa...
Oo, di ba? It doesn't matter. Kahit ngayon genres, pag haluloy mo, okay lang, di ba? So for us, we know na it will find the right people. Kung sino yung mga nakaka-relate at kung sino
Yeah.
yung mga mas, alam mo yun, yung parang mga creative people or it doesn't matter kung yung mga ano ka lang, normal. Basta kung natripan mo siya or nakarelate ka, then
Good.
yun na yun,
Very
di ba?
Actually, listening to the EP nga, rinig na rinig yung authenticity na, kunyari may ilang songs na tunog na isa sa, primarily sound ng isa sa inyo.
Yeah.
Parang ang ganda na yung authentic self ng isa sa inyo, binigyan yung lahat ng sarili-sarili yung interpretation in terms of hopping onto the song and creating
Yeah.
that whole project.
That's true. And also when listening to the EP, parang, yun nga, like what Justin said, there are certain songs that feel very SB19,
Doon
but
ka.
also not. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
do. Like, ako, nung napakinggan ko yung EV for the first time, Quit, I was really like, wow, grabe yung kanta. It feels different. And it feels, but still very SB19 at the same
It's
time.
like a dream.
And gusto namin na parang
They
that
do
whole
everything.
creative driving force is behind those tracks talaga. And
It's, sabi ko nga sa kanya, parang it's the angas na hindi mayabang, na hindi, sorry for the term, asshole yung dating. Na parang very evident dun sa lahat nung ginawa niyong tracks in the past din, na parang ang galing niyo gumawa ng something na very kalya maangas pero hindi ako nababad trip pakinggan.
Yeah.
that's true. And parang very mature na din yung
Yeah,
sound.
yeah, yeah.
It's still SB19 pero nag-mature yung parang, you know, for syempre, that's the effect of yung mga nagawa.
Tanda na kami.
Hindi! Mature as in, yung, di ba, parang nakikita namin na you're very well versed in expressing yourself. Yun
Yeah.
yung maturity ninyo.
Yeah.
Doon namin napapakinggan. Parang, you're gonna give it your all talaga. Which is not always the case, especially in the start, di ba?
Siguro, nag-grow talaga kami sa lahat ng aspects din naman. Hindi naman maiiwasan. The more na nagkakaroon kami ng mga problems, the more na syempre, natututo kami. Dumadami na rin.
Maraming masasabi lalo.
Parang, yun, yung parang, ako, parang personally, 5 years ago, parang hindi ko naisip na, okay, magiging ganito pala yung,
Yeah.
ano ko, diba? Magiging, siguro yung mindset ko, yung ano, parang 5 years ago, wala akong iniisip. I mean, kundi, syempre, maging successful si SB, pero the same time, parang, maglaro-laro pa, mag-ano-ano pa, fool around. Pero ngayon, parang ibang-iba na rin din.
You can
And I think,
definitely
yun nga, it shows
see
na
that
you also
maturity in their
somewhere,
interviews.
Diba? Parang at that time, yun nga, hindi mo naisip na 5 years down the line, ito na yung magagawa ninyo. And it's so much bigger than just the music eh. Hindi lang siya, it's not just the music, it's yung nagagawa din nyo for the creative industry and just
And for the culture na nilatag nyo rin as a group.
yeah, and I think, yun na nga, it's that courage eh, which is so difficult, honestly guys, yung courage to be able to put yourself out there with, I guess, not, what's the word? Non-traditional? I don't know, yung parang iba talaga siya. Iba
Yeah.
talaga siya to put yourself out there. And I think, that's why, I think, also when I look at yung mga 18, paano sila nakikipag-interact with yung mga ginagawa ninyo. Pati sila, nag-grow din yung mindset nila, nag-grow din yung mga tastes nila, which is, diba, only goes to show, it's so much more than the music talaga. It's also the impact that it's able to create for other
Exactly.
people. So ano yung nafe-feel ninyo? Yun na nga, even though you put out something a little bit different, a little bit more courageous, na, you know, you have people, especially 18, who are there to support and really accept these new changes and these courageous things na ginagawa ninyo.
Wow, ako talaga nagsalita. Hindi, kasi what I feel naman with 18, syempre, normal naman sa tao na pag may pagbabago, hindi naman agad yan easily
Yeah.
to digest, parang ganon. So, may mga napapansin din ako na meron 18 na parang at first, parang, syempre, hindi sila ganon ka-hook dun sa nilalabas namin.
Yes.
But of course, they were very supportive. Pero, alam mo yun, may mga, as in, kami rin naman, parang may mga bagay na parang pag sa atin normal na tao, pagbago, parang medyo ilang pa tayo, iwas pa tayo na i-gauge siya, di ba? So parang may mga ganun din namang fans, may mga ganong 18 na we totally understand na not everyone naman can jump agad dun sa something new na yun. Parang we give them time to digest everything. And ang nagustuhan ko talaga sa 18 is parang sinasabi nila yung totoo. Parang
Yeah.
sila rin yung isa sa mga reason bakit nag-improve din
This
kami
is very
somehow.
true.
And yung mga bagay na napapansin namin about them is yung mga totoo
Yes.
lang rin yung sinasabi nila sa amin na constructive criticism man yan. I mean, that's totally okay. Kasi yun naman talaga yung kailangan namin. And super na-appreciate ko din yung how they create this parang hindi siya tradition eh. Pero yung parang way of communicating hindi lang as fans but as a family.
That is
and
gorgeous.
yung mga brands din na lumalapit sa amin. Parang they treat us as family na rin. Parang, I don't know, parang may ganong culture na ba before or nag-start lang siya somewhere else. But yeah, yung mga ganong fans, yung especially yung 18, parang super na-appreciate namin lahat ng ginagawa nila. Kasi kung hindi naman talaga dahil sa kanila, wala talaga kami dito. Imagine, nag-start kami before na ilan lang yung pupunta sa mga shows namin. Even yung pag nag-mix kami before, ilan lang yung nanonood sa amin. Pero now, seeing them growing and growing and growing, not only here in the Philippines, but also international fans we have, super nakaka-overwhelm siya and we're very proud na merong ganong klaseng tao na sumusuporta sa amin. And hindi lang yon, tulad nga ng sabi mo kanina na parang nag-i-improve sila and talagang nagmamature din sila. Parang
Yeah.
they can, na rin, support yung ibang artist din. Na parang, hindi naman namin siya sinasabi, hindi naman namin siya vocalist sinasabi na, support nyo to. But, yung love nila for music is nag-grow din. Na
Yeah.
parang nare-realize nila na parang, yung SB19, pinapakinggan natin, yung ang dami nga ring artist na parang, grabe rin, ang galing din gumawa ng music. Bakit hindi rin natin supportahan? Total, ang goal naman is to support OPM, support Filipino music. Bakit hindi natin supportahan? So, yun isa na appreciate namin sa kanila. So, yun. Thank you guys so much.
I could hear him talk about 18 for ever. And I want to say SB19 are a huge reason why I know of so many different OPM Filipino artists. Actually, not even if we're talking artists as in singers or bands, it goes beyond that. Because when you start looking into the world of theatre and you look at actors, Filipinos are everywhere. It's just that I didn't really know that. Do you know what I mean? Like, I can't always look at a name and be like, that is a Filipino. Do you know what I mean? And they have made everyone kind of stick out for me. And I'm like, oh, they're also Filipino. It's so cool. And I just think it's something they've created. What Stella's saying, that I don't know, like this kind of culture or tradition that he's saying has come from us. I feel like it was because of them, because there are a lot of fans like us that support perhaps other groups all across the world, but they're not quite as well behaved as us. And so I think that this inclusion in this family that Stella's talking about, it's because of them. We are who we are because of them, and they are, to a certain extent, who they are because of us. And I absolutely love it. And I totally agree that the way that 18A market them, tell people about them, and also give feedback in the best way, it's just absolutely gorgeous.
No, pero
Enviable
gusto ko yung point
relationship,
na sinabi
for real.
mo na there are some people na at first di nila gets or hindi sila
Yeah.
nag-aano, which is a good thing kasi parang iniisip talaga nila yung kino-consume nila as a audience.
Yeah.
Diba?
And also, in terms of this specific EP, I will tell you the one and only song that I instantly loved was Shooting for the Stars. Every other song was a slow, I like it, I enjoy it, and then before you know it, I'm absolutely hooked. And I'll tell you, Damn is for sure the best song on this EP for me. And when I listened to it first, I was like, I don't know, do I like it? And it's very SB19 and I love the music video, but it wasn't until I started listening to it in my everyday routine that I was like, I freaking love this. I can't now live without Damn.
Yun
Same
na,
as
change is
Jess.
not easy for everybody. So, and I think, yun na nga yung parang na-cultivate niyong culture within 18 na parang, you can think for yourself. Kaya niyong i-digest
Yes.
yung mga
How
linalabas
important
namin.
is
And
that?
it's up to you,
Na
take...
even your own music, it's
Oo.
up to them to
Yeah.
digest however they want.
Saka yun lang pala, may nakalimutan ako. Nakakatuwa rin sa kanila pagka napapansin nila na yung mga nire-release namin is not solely for them. Parang hindi sila yung target. Parang
Yes.
18, hindi naman namin vocalist sinasabi na, 18, alam nyo na to yung re-release namin. Hindi to para sa inyo, para to sa casuals. Parang may mga fans na alam nila yon na parang, strategy nila to guys. So dapat hindi tayo masyadong mag-ano dito kasi target nila yung casuals. Parang may ganun silang,
Oh, wow!
may ganun sila. Hindi ko alam kung mga kulto ba talaga sila na alam nila yung nangyayari
Hindi, they're just some of the smartest fandoms
na-appreciate
ever.
namin yun, na natutuwa kami na parang, alam mo yun, hindi naman namin responsibilidad na sabihin lahat ng bagay. Pero sila mismo yung nakakaramdam and nakakaalam
Yeah.
ng mga steps na dapat nilang gawin din as a supporter, as a fan.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate that. Yeah, yun.
That's true.
Siguro add ko lang din yung community
Please do.
na nabuo ng 18 na parang they work on things from their own professions. Kasi may sarili-sarili silang buhay. Pero meron, parang di ko alam sila yung makapagsabi. Pero sa nakikita ko, parang nagiging hobby nila. Yung parang even though they are fans, they were able to do what they want. But at the same time, parang nagagamit nila yung profession nila.
Yeah,
Na
I get what
parang
you're
kasi
saying.
I feel like we share the same goal.
Yes.
Na ginagawa nila yung best nila. Nag-e-effort din sila. They built their own community. They plan things. Gumagawa sila ng mga pakulo. Ganyan. Para matulungan kami to achieve our goals. Kaya nga 18 para sa amin. So, siguro malaking bagay yung pangalan na 18 na atin. Na nagkaroon din sila ng mindset na everything we do is not just very selfish na
Yeah.
goal but for everyone. Kaya nakakatuwa yung pag nakikita mo how they communicate and I mean, walang perfect. I think importante din yung balance. I mean, humanity, meron talaga tayong minsan hindi magagandang bagay na nangyayari. May mga, I don't know if trolls lang talaga or parang personal na opinion or views na nila yon. Siyempre maraming pagtatalo, may mga fan wars. I don't think may iwasan siya, pero definitely mas malilesen yon. Because I think nga, ayun, meron tayong kanya-kanyang opinion na hindi talaga, mahirap gets nyo na yon, parang ganon. But the idea is, parang nagkaroon ng sariling ecosystem yung
Yeah, I
yung
think that's the best
fandom
way
na-
of
I don't think
kind of
naman
describing it.
very unique siya kasi nangyayari din naman siya sa ibang fandom, like let's say sa K-pop or even Western artist. But yun lang, nakakatuwa ma-experience firsthand, makasama yung 18, how they do their things, how they communicate and plan things out. Lahat ng ginagawa nila, parang, yun, nakakatuwa.
Yeah, that's true, no? Kumbaga, you're all pulling each other upwards. And I think that's such a nice way to look at it then. Kasi especially yung pinakaunang 18, let's say, from years ago,
Yeah.
diba? Nag-mature na din sila, nag-grow na din sila. So,
Yeah, with
same
you.
as you guys. Parang very parallel yung ano ninyo, path ninyo in terms of, yun nga, in mindset and all of that. And nakakatuwa nga na napapass down na din yun sa mga bagong 18, mga bagong sumali sa fandom. And I don't know, parang yun nga, it's cool na may ecosystem talaga siya. Kasi often hindi natin naiisip na ganun pala talaga siya. But, you know, it's how you all communicate and talk to each other. Ang saya lang na ma-witness bilang, you know, fans din, bilang 18. And I think this is the perfect way also with this EP, no? Kasi sabi nga ni Pablo kanina na when it comes to music, reflection talaga siya ng ano yung buhay ninyo at that time in your life. So to just kind of wrap everything up, sino bang SB19 at this part in their lives? Like, sino ba kayo as a group right now? Ano bang era ng SB19 ito for all of you? And how does this EP reflect that?
Ako,
Ano pumasok sa isip ko, senior citizen.
Ano ba yan?
ako na din
quiet.
ng ano na hindi ko alam. Parang parang, yun nga parang, timing is very important. Everything is important. Parang pakiramdaman. Parang gano'n. Nandun kami parang nag-usap tayo last year about this, di ba? Kung ano mangyayari
Yeah.
after it. So parang, siguro, I feel very happy kasi parang na-feel ko na, ito, parang one movement ulit kami. Like, may mga, parang ever since na nagre-release kami ng EP, ng Dam, ng Pilano namin, one movement, and mas nararamdaman ko intact kami ngayon. So, parang masasabi ko, pwedeng, yun nga, diba, simula at wakas, it might be the beginning again. Pero definitely not the end. Kasi, it's more than that. It's more than just the music. Pero yung experiences namin, yun yung importante and yung nasi-share namin. Yun nga yung beauty ng storytelling di ba? Yung parang, it's a choice. Ikaw mag-decide kung kailan mo tatapusin o wawakasan. So for us, syempre, yung movement, it will always parang push forward. Kasi hindi lang yun sa amin natatapos. Kasi ang goal namin is not just for us we want to inspire a lot of people. And of course, yung mga ibang tao na nai-inspire sa ginagawa na to, parang gagawin din nila, parang chain lightning effect nga, diba? Ripple effect.
What a great summary.
Diba? So, yun yung yung parang ako, for now, yun na yung masasabi ko. Parang hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo. Nasan nga ba tayo? Kasi,
Yeah.
parang, ang goal natin is bigger than us diba? Bigger than
Yeah,
us, bigger than
it is.
SB19. So, I'm super excited kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng mangyari in the next few years. Nandun ako, parang, ano kaya yung mga makikita pa natin, no? As in, gano'n kaya tayo mag-grow, gano'n tayo, not just as musicians, diba? But as a person, as a business owners, yung mga gano'n. Ano yung may aambag pa namin sa industry? At ano pa yung magbabago sa Pilipinas dahil sa ginagawa natin na to? Parang nandun ako nanggagaling.
Ako ang funny lang din kasi bago pa
Oh, di ba natawa na si Pablo?
Pablo's laughing already.
plan ng simula at wakas, parang chine-check namin yung mga videos namin before.
Oh.
Yung mga, di ba, mga dance practices namin, mga music videos namin, mga vlogs namin. Tapos parang, yun nga yung funny sa akin kasi parang napaka-evident nung time, nung era, na kung ano yung, parang pinopromote namin.
Yes,
Like
yes.
for example,
Yeah.
nung What, parang yung kasi namin, parang, parang sino ba si SB19? Pero tas ng mga vlogs na nire-release namin noon, puro siya, like puro pinapakita namin yung sino si SB19, like yung characters namin, sobrang evident na pinapakilala namin. And then nung pagtatag, parang talaga, this is SB19. Like ang dami naming ginagawa na parang, alam mo yun, na parang patok, o parang nakikita ng 18 na parang, ganito talaga sila, ito talaga yung mga contents nila, ganito. And dun sa question nga ngayon sa simula at wakas na, ano na ba yung era ni SB19? From what I remember last year, nung nagbe-brainstorming nga tayo, lumabas yung lumabas yung term na parang enough said, parang SB19, parang, ito na yung nilabas namin ngayon, SB19, ito yung hinain namin, bahala na kayo, if you like it or not, SB19 yan, kayo na bahala. So, from dun sa biglang tinanong kanina, parang asang era na ba kayo? Bigla lang nag-flashback sa akin na parang, parang na nga yung kami ngayon. Tapos na-realize ko, wala naman na kasing dapat kaming kailangang gawin pa. Kasi from the start naman, ito na talaga yung ginagawa namin. And isa lang yung sinasabi namin na mahal namin yung ginagawa namin. Ito kami. At habang may naniniwala sa amin, gagawin namin to hanggang sa nandiyan yung supporters namin. So I think this era, parang lang kami. Parang gagawin lang namin yung gusto namin and kung
I
may
love
good things na
that.
pumasok or ma-reward sa ginagawa namin, we're ready to face kung ano man yun.
Wow.
Kasi wala naman talaga siyang formula. Wala. Kasi even before tinatanong kami, SB19 ano bang formula? Bakit ba nagagawa nyo to? Wala po talaga. Wala talagang formula. I guess kailangan niya ng 5 bano na magkakaiba ng, ng personality para mag-work yung isang group. But I guess there's no formula for a success. For success, walang formula. You just need to be just be you and do the things that you love, do the things that you want to achieve. Kasi parang sabi nga sa amin ni Kuya Jay, pag yung choreographer po namin and choreographer po namin and somehow nagiging na namin siya.
Life coach.
Life coach na namin siya. Sabi niya sa amin, parang may mga times na parang feeling mo, ikaw yung star na hindi kumikinang. So parang yung ibang tao, hindi ka naiiyak naman ako.
Oh, Stelly.
Sabi lang niya sa amin, parang may mga moments na parang feeling mo, ikaw yung star na hindi kumikinang. Pero may mga taong tumitingin pa rin sa'yo kasi nirurot nila na mag-shine ka.
Grabe.
So ngayong time mo naman na kailangan mong mag-shine, dapat pakita mo na kung ano pa yung kaya mong gawin. And kung may mga taong hindi pa rin naniniwala sa'yo, pakita mo lang yung shine mo. Kasi dadating yung araw na hindi man nila nakita yung shine mo, makikita nila yung liwanag na taglay mo.
Ako nakikita
Mararamdaman
ko yung shine
nila.
mo.
I love that.
So parang,
Glowing ka eh.
So,
Me
parang-
too.
Ayun
You
nga,
will
yun,
always
tumatak
shine
talaga
for me,
sa akin yun.
Stell.
So parang,
You
ayun
will
nga, this
never be
era,
invisible
parang
for me. Even if
we
I
don't care
disappear,
kung hindi nila napapansin
it's not
yung
because
shine
you
ni
were
SB19.
invisible.
We don't care kung feeling nila parang ginagawa lang namin to kasi parang may gusto kaming patunayan. But, ayun, kung ganun yung tingin nyo, hayaan na lang namin yung liwanag namin yung mag-touch sa inyo. So, yun.
Shiny nga ng skin mo.
Ang ganda-ganda na siya.
So, ayun. Yun lang siguro for me, yung for this era.
really beautifully said.
Grabe nga.
Stell, I
Shine
love
din
you
ako eh. Shine type.
so much.
Na-inspire kaming lahat mag-shine.
Shine type.
Shine type.
Oh my goodness.
Ganun talaga, pag SB19, a full range of emotions.
Yes.
Oo, yun talaga yun. Which I think is perfectly
If Stowe cries, I
encapsulated
cry.
sa EP. Full
True.
range of emotions din siya. Just like the conversation that we had today. Pero gusto ko din yung sinabi ni Josh na minsan di mo talaga alam like where you are in life. And that's okay.
Yes.
Whoever is listening, okay lang yan if you don't know where you are in life. The important thing is, move forward.
Yes.
Move forward. Yun
Eventually,
talaga
you'll figure it out.
Oo.
Pili ko nga po, natutuwa ako sa sagot nilang dalawa kasi parang pinakinggan ko kasi talaga. So parang dito sa SB19, natapos na talaga namin yung cycle. Yung katulad ng sinabi still, wala na tayong dapat gawin pero kailangan natin ipagpatuloy. Kasi hindi na natatapos yung fire natin, hindi pa natin na-achieve lahat ng goals natin and marami pang nakasubaybay sa amin na i-inspire sa mga ginagawa namin. So, we'll keep doing what we love. Tapos kung magustuhan nyo, thank you. If hindi naman, okay lang din. Pero
Yeah.
ginagawa namin kung ano yung gusto namin. Masaya kami
Good.
doon. ayun, yun na yung cycle ng buong trilogy. Yung sinabi niya rin na parang,
Pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan tayo.
ikaw na alam mo nasaan ka. Baka hindi mo alam kung nasaan ka kasi tapos na, pero babalik ka sa umpisa. Babalik ka wala sa umpisa. So, wala lang, nakakatawa na ganun yung sagot nila. Kasi ganun yung nafe-feel ko right now. Parang dumating din kami sa point na, ano, ang tagal na natin. Ano tayo, 7 years, 7
Oo,
years
tagal na
kami nasa
namin,
group.
may
Huwag yung sabihin yun, same age group tayo eh. So kung sabihin nyo matanda
Ay, hindi
kayo.
naman.
7 years na kami, pero ano yan yung besides the training
Yeah.
years pa.
Yeah.
So, tagal na
7
namin
years,
10
magkakasama.
years. 10 years.
Yes,
Long.
since
Almost
long.
10 years.
Almost 10 years.
Grabe. Ganun na kayo kakasama.
Us.
So, parang iniisip namin, ano bang susunod? Pag-iisipin mo, after nitong album na to, anong gagawin natin?
Another one,
Sige,
a
tingnan
full
na natin kung
album.
anong mangyayari, pero we will keep doing what we love.
Feeling ko
Good.
kaya nyo lang nasabi na
Good.
tumatanda kayo kasi may mga check-up na sa tuhod. no.
Kaka-basketball yan. Hindi yan sa tanda.
Athletic lang.
Yeah, oo. Yun lang.
Yun talaga yung range of emotions eh. No? Yun talaga yun. And such is life, no? Minsan, di mo talaga alam nasan ka in life.
Ang alam mo
What-
lang ipagpapatuloy mo.
Oo. Minsan masaya ka, minsan hindi. But, nandito na tayo eh. So, might as well just go
Yep.
on with it. Diba?
Yeah.
Yun na talaga
Go
yun.
up.
Minsan naman, kahit may goal ka, di ba?
Go up.
Go up!
What I was saying, kahit minsan may goal ka, di mo man alam yun paano mapupuntahan. Okay lang yun,
Yeah.
ligaw-ligaw.
Aha.
Along the way, mafe-figure out mo yun kung paano mo makukuha yung goal mo. Kasi parang yung iba nahihiya na sabihin na, parang, naplano ko na lahat from the get-go. Ako rin naman, ang dami kong plano, pero along the way mo lang talaga siya mafe-figure out.
Yep.
Kasi
And
ang daming
that's
roadblocks,
fine.
ang daming problema, ang daming unexpected challenges talaga na magugulat ka. Paano nangyayari?
At marami ring unexpected victories dahil
Yes.
napunta ka sa
Yes.
ibang
Freestyle
Ganda
lang
nun.
talaga lahat.
freestyle lang ang
Talaga
buhay.
Yun talaga yun. Freestyle nga lang talaga lahat. And what a freeing thing na freestyle nga yung kaya natin gawin. No, that's true. No, pero that's true. That's true. Na ganun talaga yung life, no? And how lucky we are na you choose to continue. Kasi choice talaga siya eh. Hindi naman kayo pinipilit, di ba? It's a choice. It's a choice. And life is full of choices. Daming quotable quotes for today. Yun talaga yun. And I'm happy na kahit na one chapter ends, may simula pa din. And, we have Simula at Wakas, which
Yes.
we are so excited to have. Yun. Yun lang masasabi ko. Nico.
Gusto niyo ba sila i-invite para i-stream ang E EP?
Tama.
Yes, nandito po si Ken para i-invite ang ating listeners.
Galing ka mag-promote eh.
Natuto daw siya sa solo niya.
Nag-solo kasi siya.
Oo, tama.
Here we go.
Ito mo na magagamit
Put to the test.
Sir, parang hindi
Ito
naman
na
ang
yun.
promotional skills.
Let's go, Kenny.
Sample mo na.
So yung EP po namin, sa lahat po ng hindi nakapakinig ng aming EP, is such a great EP, bro.
Yes!
Agreed.
Sofer.
Talagang iba-iba yung mararamdaman nyo sa EP na to. Very emotional, very inspirational, uplifting. Minsan magagalit ka, minsan may inis ka. But yeah, ayun, nakalabas na po yung EP namin. And kung gusto nyo i-check, punta kayo sa pages namin, sa SB19 Official, or search for at SB19 Official or Official SB19. And yung music video namin ng Dam, nakalabas na rin sa official YouTube channel namin. So, check nyo lang. And Time in Dongka din. Talagang
Yes.
such a good song, such a great song.
So good.
Dami yung realization na sa time hindi sa Dongka. Hindi, joke lang. Dami yung realization na talaga, like mapapaisip kayo sa sarili nyo, mga ganyang bagay. So, yeah. Yun, check nyo lang. Talagang magugustuhan nyo tong EP na to. Yeah.
Satisfaction
Period.
guaranteed.
Yeah.
Period. So, ayun na nga po, no? Stream the new EP, watch all of the music videos, and feel the roller coaster of emotions.
Yes.
Yeah.
Indeed.
That's like yun.
Please,
And
please.
the cycle of life.
Gusto nyo magbenta pa ba akong tickets?
Kaya niya,
Might
kaya
as well.
niya. He wants to
Without
show off yung
tickets.
promotional skills niya na
Yeah.
natutunan niya.
Magkakaroon pala kami ng
Yun!
Go, go!
Do
magkakaroon kami
it.
ng world tour ulit. So abangan nyo lang kami sa inyong mga lugar at
Yeah, that's right.
at ano ba yun? Ano ba tawag dyan? Mapapadpad kami dyan sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, and we'll be happy to see you as much as happy kayo na makita nyo rin kami mag-perform. So ayun, we are very excited na mapunta sa lugar niyo, and of course ma-meet yung mga Pinoy fans namin dyan. Not only the Pinoy fans, but of course yung mga mga foreigner namin na mga fans sa iba't ibang ibang race na mga fans namin. Hello sa inyong lahat. Wait nyo lang kami dyan, and talagang magkita-kita tayo lahat. Yun.
Cute.
Yeah.
Cute.
Gusto ko tinodo
Yung-
talaga niya eh.
Yeah, yung ticket namin available.
Love it.
Pag narinig ko yun, bibili talaga ako eh.
Nagbenta ng ticket.
Oo.
Magkano yung ticket namin? Wala pa, no? Sige, next time na lang po.
Choice ninyo. Like we said, life is full of choices. Choice niyo yun. Pero the choice is right. The choice is right. If you come see SB19,
Yes.
if they end up in your city. So, excited na kami sa lahat pa ng gagawin ninyo with the world tour, EP, everything, and everything in the future, solo, group, lahat na.
Thank
We will always be fans. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you so
SB19,
much.
Thank you so much.
for joining us. Maraming
I love
salamat to everybody who listened. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
How amazing was that? And I thought about so many things that I wanted to say to sum this entire interview up. But I'm really liking where they are in life right now. This kind of like, we are who we are, like it or lump it. And I guess like when you're in this kind of age bracket, we all tend to kind of feel the same thing, which is really interesting. And I love it. And I, again, just hearing them talk, I feel so like I can totally relate with them. And yeah, everything that I'd kind of thought that I wanted to say or comment on, I'd either said throughout the video or it's gone. And actually, all I want to say is that we are utterly blessed that SB19, and taking the words straight out from Sam's mouth right here, that they choose. Right? They're at that point where they are choosing to be in the industry. They are choosing to be SB19. We are so fortunate that we get to see them and to witness their outrageously, fantastically, stratospherically amazing music. And please don't ever take it for granted is all I have to say, because like I've said many times, I live very much in the past, and there are artists whom I was way too little to get that opportunity to go and see them. And, some of them stopped making music, others passed away. And I'm sorry, I'm making this really sad, but it's the truth. You just don't know what is going to happen. Don't think that SB19 are going to be here forever. Don't think, oh, I'll leave it till next time. Because actually, they could do with that support right now. And if you are able to support them in any way, go to watch their concert, watch them at any live event, festival, performance, wish bus, that sort of a thing. Buy their EP, watch any of their videos, whatever it is in your life right now that you can do it, because it means everything to them. And yeah, just don't ever take it for granted, because there will be a time, especially as they all now approach their 30s, where life very naturally, whether you want it to or not, it changes. Your body, society, makes you feel like you should be doing something else. And perhaps some of them may want to take a different pace in the next 5-6 years. They may want to settle down and have families, and that will for sure slow things down on the SB19 front. So just don't take it for granted. At the moment, this is their priority. Make them your priority as well. And you just won't regret it, will you? We just know. I loved this so much. Great conversation, great questions, amazing answers, and just so much validation that everything that I feel for every single member of SB19, it is so true. No rose-tinted glasses whatsoever. They are so emotionally intelligent. They are so authentically themselves. And I will 100% say, like, for a long time, I guess I'm still finding myself. I don't really know who I am. I don't really fit in anywhere. I don't belong with other Pakistanis. And I also don't fully belong with other Brits because I'm not white. And I always find myself in the middle, very, like, hanging, ambiguous. And I'm in that place where I'm finding myself. And let me tell you who has given me confidence to be myself. It's actually Filipinos. I have learned so much about how to champion who you are, how to love yourself, how to love your culture, your background, good, bad, the ugly, whatever it is, embrace it. That is the kind of stuff that people love to know about you. And I'll tell you, it's not just, it's Filipinos, but it's not just SB19. I'll tell you who also taught me this. Alamat. Alamat, the way that they have championed so much, like, it kind of made me want to be prouder of who I am as well. I was like, why am I choosing to hang in this balance? Why not be the best of both of these combined, this mushed up place that I live in? Why not celebrate who I am? And it sounds freaking cheesy to say it out loud, but that's the truth. Please do talk to me about this entire interview. I can't wait to hear what you have to say. I'm so excited. And yeah, I just want to say that it's interesting. Obviously, what I find really interesting is that we have the dreamers, we have the real ambitious guys, then we have the realistic guys, the emotional guys, and the calculated guys. I don't mean that in a horrible way. Being calculated is good. But it's so interesting that we've kind of got like all bases covered, and you end up having a really balanced conversation because of that. But I honestly just absolutely loved listening to all of this. And yes, I'm going to talk about Stell, and I'm going to talk about a little bit of what Pablo was saying, that SB19 are not going to go on forever, because not that you would assume that they would, but because they're saying that, they are having this constant like evaluation, like, where are we at? Shall we continue? Are we able to continue? Are we getting what we want? Like, that's a really interesting thing to do, because again, sometimes an artist will just be shot up into the stratosphere and think they're going to be there forever. They're invincible. They are irreplaceable. And I just really like the realism of, do we still want to do this? Is this still our goal, our dream, our focus? I love that. And yeah, just again, what I'm saying about Stell, I love him so much. That little emotional bit there, just love him to death. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.